Yo, what is up, everybody? How are y'all doing today? We are doing vibe coding, which seems very, I guess, like ironic coming from me because even though I am the AI VTuber guy or AI VTuber guy, I have been pretty. It has seemed like I've been pretty against AI coding um in general, right? I always talk about how shit vibe coding is in terms of producing actually good applications or secure applications. But let me clear up this, I guess, misconception. I am not against vibe coding. I am not against AI generating coding. I am more for the learning that you would otherwise lose if you were vibe coding. And also just like in terms of like quality or just like secureness, right? Let's just get that out of the way. Is limit high? Is this why it's the 5? No. No, we are just vibe coding today. I'm not getting fucking high. I haven't been drinking. I've been keeping good to my promise, okay? Why are you jolly? Because it's the Christmas season. Get with the times. It is literally like 7 days from Christmas, my guy. Yeah. Anyways, this stream is going to be kind of similar to some of the other streams we did, like the Blender stream or the Pie Game stream, where we're going to be rolling for all of your crafty ideas slowly throughout the stream, and we're gonna try and incorporate them into whatever the fuck we decide to make, or whatever the AI decides to make, right? But I was thinking, since this is technically my first time ever, well, I guess vibe coding on my own setup or on a setup outside of my own workplace, I kind of want to get used to working with whatever I'm using right now to vibe code, which is going to be, oh, thank you for the 100 bits, Jaggies. Oh
I
my
need
god,
my
wait, is
model
this?
since I'm throwing you bits.
Oh my god, is this what it's gonna be? Do I have to make your... What if I make your model on stream by vibe coding it? There's potential there. But yeah, I'm gonna be using Cursor, which let me pull it up. Where's my cursor? Thank you, Jaggies, for another 100. Make it on
Make
stream.
it on stream.
Okay, we'll put it on the wheel. We'll put it on the wheel. If we get it, we might make it the focus of what this application is going to be. But yeah, what I was going to say is I want to, instead of using the wheel webpage that we normally use, what if instead we used Cursor to make us a website that has a wheel on it that we can spin? Limit goes to the dark side, Cursor. Okay. I was trying to figure out what I should even do for this week, and the point of vibe coding and actually learning to vibe code properly on my own setup came up from Lux and specifically for this fucking stream. So you can thank him for me being on Cursor right now because he also told me to use Cursor. But yeah, I have a project already set up here. I am just going to see how quickly we can spin up a web application that just has a wheel for us to start spinning your ideas from. Not windsurf. No, not windsurf. There's reasons. Yeah, there's reasons. So I'm gonna ask the agent. What language should we use, by the way? I was thinking Python, just because that's what we always use and that's like the most simple and what I'm most familiar with. But I saw some of you guys in chat earlier during the
Pyacods is now
beginning.
following.
Thank you, Pyacods, for the follow.
God damn!
I was seeing some suggestions for like Rust or even in C, and I'm just like, it'd be fucked because I don't think I have any of the tools to compile those languages downloaded right now, but we may try, right? So I don't know. Mods, do you want to put up like a poll or something? Just like a 2-minute poll or something? Should I make it in Python, C, Rust, some other language, JavaScript? What do we want to do here? I guess I should make the poll. I don't know how bad the stream delay is right now. Burr, burr, burr. Oh, okay. Let's see, let's see. We currently have 0 votes. Alright, come on guys. Start voting. What languages are gonna be? Well, I can't vote myself, so... Code in brainfuck? No, bro. If we code it in brain... I mean, it would be interesting to see what the AI comes up with in brainfuck. But we won't be able to code anybody else's ideas if we start coding in brainfuck. We got 2 votes. Brother, you ended... Why'd you end... Wait, did you end the poll? Why'd the poll end so quickly? We only got 4 votes in. Okay, well... It's on Python. I don't know if we should redo it because that was, yeah. Oh my god, Mactic, why? Okay, guys, revote. We got 1 vote for Rust. We got 1 vote for Brainfuck. We got another vote for C. Another vote for Brainfuck. Oh no, Brainfuck is in the lead. Please, can we get some votes for Python? Oh my god. I don't even know what we need to compile or run Brainfuck, guys. Oh my god, bro. Oh, we got 1 for Python. We got 1 for Python. How long is this poll? Brainfuck is gonna be impossible? Exactly. I need to I need to make the wheel to spin the options in Brainfuck. I don't even know if we can do that in one stream. Okay, come on. Python catch up, please. Give us an actually usable stream. Well, that's what AI is for. I don't know if it's even been trained on enough data to know Brainfuck. Okay, they're all tied up. Brainfuck versus Python. Who's gonna win? The snake or the fuck? Please. Okay. We have like 2/3 of the poll left. I don't know if it like... Guys, come on. We need at least 1 more vote for one of the 2. At least 1 more. Jaggies, thank you for the 100.
For snake.
100 bits for the snake. Okay, we got some... we got some bribery going on. I mean, it doesn't really matter because I can't vote, but... Snake's Brainfuck, I guess. No! Okay, we have 1 more vote into Brainfuck. Breaking the tie, 4-3. We're almost halfway through. Oh my god. Someone bring in the cavalry. We need some more votes for Python, please. Or C, or Rust. Anything but Brainfuck, guys. Anything but Brainfuck right now. Snake's Brainfuck. What if we make the snake in Brainfuck? Make our own language inside of Brainfuck so we can actually code something proper that's not in the Brainfuck language. You can't change your vote? What did you vote for, Lux? What did you vote for? Did you vote for fucking like Brainfuck? I swear to god, man. Doesn't look like any more votes are going to be coming in anytime soon. So we might end up just... Oh, you voted for Rust? Let me guess, you would have changed your vote to Brainfuck. To just solidify, to just like fucking end me, bro. Make a... Oh, I can't talk. Yeah, make a Python compiler with brainfuck. Yeah, I was gonna say that's probably gonna be easier than coding in straight brainfuck and even faster. You would have voted for Python and voted and then even things out. The votes are in. You can't change it once they're in. What did Jade vote for? Jaggy's obviously voted for Python. She said it herself already. Why would she vote for brainfuck? She's a sensible human being who doesn't want to watch me suffer like the rest of you sadistic fucks. Oh my god, it looks like I think we're coding in brainfuck. Let me just search. How to code in brainfuck. Cause I don't even know. Is it a compiled language or is it like Python? Oh no. Brainfuck would be interesting. We'll see. We'll limit test the AI on brainfuck. He's vibe coding. We're vibe coding in brainfuck. This is the first stupid idea. Oh, S16. Wait. Was it S16 that voted for COBOL C#? It's a tie. Come on, tie it out. Yes. Let's fucking go. Who was the one that voted Python just now? Who was it? Who is my savior? My potential savior? I didn't know. Let's go, S16. Let's go. Okay, we're pulling up the coin flip. Hold on a second. We're pulling up the coin flip. I am going to say, all right, chat. You know what? I'll leave this to you. Is Python heads or tails? Heads, brain, tails, Python. We'll just go with that. Heads, tail. Wait, I'm fucking brain rotting right now. Heads. If it lands on heads, then we're coding in brainfuck. If it lands on tails, then we're coding in Python. Okay. Please RNG be on my side for once today. Here we go. Tails says, let's fucking go. Okay. We are coding in Python today. Thank the Lord. Let me just look at this for a second. What the fuck is this? Brainfuck is the craziest language I have ever had the pleasure of coming across. Blah 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 blah. But is it compiled or is it what is it? Oh god. If it was brainfuck, it was this close to being brainfuck. It was so close to being brainfuck. Thank God we don't have to code in brainfuck. Brainfuck to C interpreter. Okay. I'm assuming it's a compiled language, but we don't have a compiler for it, so thank the Lord. So, we are going to be coding in MacTig. Quit fucking abusing your powers, bro. Somebody unmute S16. We are going to be coding inside of Python. I already have the project set up here, but before I start taking in all of your dumb ideas, let's try and make a quick web app that has a spinner that lets us spin your ideas. And then maybe we'll build on top of that spinner. All right, so let me first ask the agent. What was the Lux? What was the agent again that you said was super fast from yesterday? Jaggies, thank you for another 100. You are
Python
just
party.
cheering with all the bits today. Like what? What agent are we using today? I guess it's going to be. Oh, it's Composer. Oh shit. Search models, automatic. Here we go. Composer 1. Yes, okay. So,
Use the damn anti-gravity.
no, bro. I already downloaded this. I'm not gonna fucking spend the time to download anti-gravity and kill my bitrate right now. We are gonna stick with Agent Infinity for now to make this web app, and then go towards the other, I guess, modes or prompts or tasks once we actually have it settled down. So let's create a web app. I want you to create a web app in Python. Should we tell it what kind of package it should use for the UI? I don't know what we should tell it to use for the UI. I guess it would just use something like Django or something. But Plant is a beast? Yeah. Why do vibe coders always go for a web app first? Because it's the easiest thing that has the most like appealing visuals, I guess. It stimulates the brain a lot more. So I want you to create a web app. Tailwind plus Django. I've never actually used Tailwind, so I don't know. I'll just say in Django for now. I'm not sure where Tailwind fits into it. I'm pretty sure that's just for styling, right? I guess we can say it. I want you to create a web app in Python using Tailwind and Django. That has a wheel that we can spin for options. The options should be configurable on the web app directly. Let's just see what this produces. Okay. I don't know if I've set things up correctly, but we'll see. So we created a requirements.txt. Good. We are creating a whole fuck ton of files with no moderation whatsoever that I am not gonna read through. For all I know, this could leak my IP. Holy shit, it's going. It is going. Is this what it feels like to be the guys on the, what's it, microservices subreddit or some shit that are like, I made this microservice on the weekend. Here, oh, with the SaaS subreddit. I made a SaaS over the weekend and sold it for $100,000. Here's how I did it. Oh god. Is this what it feels like? We have a directory called Vibe Trial. This is just the name of my repository here. Jaggies, thank you for another
Have
100.
my last 100 bits.
The last 100 bits. Does Jays have the money to give bits? I don't know. She just pulled it out of the couch this morning and is just sending it my way. I mean, she does want me to make her model a sketchy or a shitty model that's like similar to mine. We might get to that point on this stream. We'll see. But yeah, Vibe Trial, that's the name of the original directory. What is in here? An initpy, what is this? ASGI? ASGI, what is an ASGI? Config for Vibe Trial project. Environment set default, Django, Vibe Trial settings. I forgot what ASGI stands for. I feel stupid. We have settings for the Django. I'll just hit keep on all of these. Keep. There's nothing to keep there. We have our URLs. I'll keep you. And WSGI. Bro, I actually forgot what ASGI and WSGI stand for. There's stuff to do with the web application though. I know that. I just don't remember what they stand for. We have a wheel. Why do we have a wheel? What is the structure of this project? I have no fucking clue. I'll be honest, I've never even used Django in my life either. So I don't know what I'm going to be looking at. But that makes it a little bit better for the purposes of vibe coding because that's kind of the point a lot of the time. Well, the point is that you're supposed to know. But I think it's more interesting if I don't know anything and I just let the AI take over the entire fucking time. So it's going to be interesting to see where this goes. But yeah, those are all the files, accepted all the changes. I need to make a conda environment right now. So let me just conda create -n. What Python version should this be? Let me ask it. What Python version should this be? Wheel is the app name? There's no way Wheel is the app name. Conda for a web app? Why not? What's wrong with Conda for a web app? It's literally just version control, no? Or environment control. Plus package management, but it's mostly environment control. Just use Python virtual. And I've been doing everything through Conda since the start. We're gonna stick with it, okay? Why is it? Oh. I need to hit confirm there. Why does it need to search so many things? Do it automatically, please. Yeah, because Django creates a Django folder, and you can create as many app folders as you want. Oh, so each of these are different applications? I guess that would make sense. So we have one application called Wheel and one application called Vibe Trial, is what I'm understanding. Ask it to install Conda for you. Okay, buddy. I am not messing up my Conda configurations. Alright. It says here, what the fuck did it do? I just asked it for the Python version. What did it tell me? Updated the project to specify Python version in the requirements. Python's 3.10, 11, or 12, recommended 3.12. So we'll just create vibe trial. Test vibe trial. I can't type. I actually cannot type. I think it's time to get replaced by AI. Python equals 3.12. I can't see the other folder because the banner is covering it. Oh, you mean the what? The fuck? I should get rid of this. The crowd control banner. Yeah, we haven't used that in a long time. I should just get rid of it. You can disable it. Why does it have a long ass Conda environment name? What? Well, the name is fine, no? Test vibe trial. That's not a long name. Bro, you know how many Conda environments I have? I have like 20 plus Conda environments. All of which are like pretty different, so I do need it. Just name it vibe trial. There needs to be a certain level of organization or I'm just gonna lose track of everything. I'm not gonna keep this environment after stream anyways, so name it S16. Honestly, peak name. It'll take a while though. What else do we have in here? We have Python version, just 3.12. We have manage. Let me keep you. Manage, which is, what is this? Django's command line utility for administrative tasks. Is all of this really necessary? Is all of this Django administrative stuff really necessary? Because I feel like it's made a crap ton of it. Environment set default, Django settings module, vibe trial settings. Import error, couldn't import Django, yes, okay. Execute in command line. What is this? What is any of this doing? I feel like this isn't running anything. Is this really Django? Like, what the fuck am I looking at right now? Command line utility for administrative tasks. I'm assuming this is just like, I'm assuming Django just has like a CLI or something. Just run it, baka. Brother, I'm still installing. I'm trying to look through this shit while it's installing. Fuck. Vibe trial. Some key bindings. Yeah, get out of here. And pip install jar requirements. Slowest Vive coder in my life. Yeah. I know. Read me. Ain't nobody got time to read or read me, especially not me. I can't fucking read for shit. I guess I should read this though. Install dependencies. Run migrations. Sure. We'll trust it. Create a super user. The fuck is any of this? Admin panel, all of this shit. I just told it to make a wheel application. Why am I having security and shit? Okay. Create a super user. I trust you wholeheartedly. Yes, leave it blank. Email address? Yo, what the fuck? Why is it farming my information? Blank passwords aren't allowed. 1, 2, 3. What the fuck is this, man? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait. Bypass the validation. Yes. Wow. Okay. Run server. Just follow it. You'll see the magic. This is what it feels like to not understand coding again. Run it. Whoa, there's an in editor, a fucking web viewer. Okay, wait. Bro, how the fuck did any of this work? Sure. Okay. We have a manage options. We have a wheel. I'm not gonna question it. I'm not gonna question it. This is why I didn't make J.E. Eisen or Project J.E. Eisen by Vive Code, because I would not understand any of it. I would not learn any of it. You see, the super user is to get power onto your laptop. The mail is so that they can impersonate you and get power onto your life. Yes, okay, this guy's thinking. I put in the email and it sends it to Cursor. That's what it is. This is all just like the rite of passage. Okay, we have a wheel. Let's test it out. We have, yes, add option. Error. No such table wheel option. Oh, well, this is where it begins. What is this? I can give it a color. Back to wheel. I can spin it. Error loading options. Did you run the migrations? I did. I did run the migrations. Did I not? Where's my history? I swear I did. The migrations were... Fuck, man. The migrations were manage and migrate. Did I actually run these properly? Cancel. Create super user and these two. You want? Let's just run them again. What's the worst that could happen? Okay. Apply all migrations. Okay. Running migrations. No migrations to apply. So there is nothing. Run the developer server and then access the application as through there. Manage options / manage. Open in Cursor browser / options. What is this? Page not found. But, oh no, I'm stupid. / manage. Okay, that's just that page. The one with all of our things. And what is /admin? Damn. Limit 1, 2, 3. Guys, don't steal my password. Oh my god. We have site administration for my application with literally one user that is the super user. What the fuck? Okay. Well, let's just kill that. Let's figure out what the problem here is. Why did I close that? I need that. Opus and GPT, better for more solid outcomes, usually for complex things, and project scaffolding. Composer, when you don't want to wait and am doing something small and you want it to be fast. Yes, this. Not admin. Yeah, what was the problem here? I put in yes, and then why did we get a 500? We have no such table wheel option. Okay, how do I pull up the chat again? Was it Control I? Fuck. Where's the thing to pull up the chat again? Toggle AI pane? Yeah, here we go. Fix the error in the console right now. All right, run. Unga bunga vibe code. Here we go. Can you use a SQLite 3 extension to open db.sqlite? Oh wait, we had a SQLite database here this entire time. I didn't even realize. You know what? We'll just let it do its thing. I'm gonna pretend that I know absolutely jack all about programming, and we're just gonna let it do its thing. All right. It did a whole bunch of stuff. Do I have to approve all of them? I'm just hit keep all. Yes. Do your thing. Now. Yeah, click approve all. Now let's try it again. Restart. And now we still have no such table option. Okay. You said to click on this and oh wait, I don't have a SQL database viewer on my thing. SQL. What was it called again? SQL database tools or some shit? SQL database client. See for SQLite, supports executing SQL. I believe this one should work. Databricks drivers. Ah, fuck it, we'll just use this. Trust and install. My guy copied the damn error and send it. Does it not have access to my fucking terminal? I would have assumed it had context in my fucking terminal. Man, these non-corporate this is so different from the one that I have to use for work. This is just like, how the fuck does it not have context of this? I'm gonna just copy all of it. Fix this error. What? I'm assuming that'll work. I assume you need to highlight and send to chat or right click on something. There is an add to chat button right after you highlight. Add to chat. Oh, okay. Okay. Run. Run again. You have my full approval. Keep running. I'm just gonna keep running everything. Apply migrations. I feel it almost looks like it's been running the exact same commands over and over and over again, or at least the same commands that I've been running. Migrations created and applied. The wheel option table has been created in the database. Are you sure about that? Are we sure about this? Can I even open the database viewer? Database, create connection. Let's just do this first because this will be easier. The app should now work. You can add options to the manage page and spin the wheel. Okay. Okay, this worked. We no longer get this error. We no longer are 500 out. So we should be able to add an option now. Hit yes, add option. We have an option, okay. And I put no, add option. Let me change the color of this too. Ooh, so fancy. And let me change the color view. Wow. And let's go spin this wheel. Yes or no? Wow. No. So easy, guys. Anybody can code. Make an option that is S16 is the new boss. Okay, buddy. I'll think about it. Just for this stream only. Alright. You know the drill, guys. What options are we going with today? Give me all your terrible ideas and we're going to try to incorporate it onto this this web app that we've created here. Vibe Coding Pro in 10 minutes. Guys, you need to get on now or you're gonna get left behind. The Jaggies model, right? Okay, Jaggies model is the most important. I'll even make this green, like how you are in chat right now. All right. Got the Jaggies model. How is Limit bad at vibe coding? Because my only experience with vibe coding is with the tools I have at work, which are extremely different because it's not a full-on fucking IDE, okay? And normally it would have control over like your fucking console, or you can reference fucking files directly and have it go to that. And you can also what's it called? Federates? I don't know. I'm bad with English, but you have to basically accept or deny every single permission that it does, or every single change that it does. I was S16's new boss. Fine, S16 is new boss. Flappy Bird. Well, can it randomize the color every single time, please? Oh, whoops. Wait, if I restart this, will this all stay here? I would assume so because it's probably in the database, right? Yes, it is. Okay. Let me ask it to also randomize the things. Fuck, how do I pull it up? Is there a shortcut for you? Show console, show elements. Where is the Control Alt B? There has to be a faster way. Make it so the color of a new option is randomized. Add the part that blames you every time your code gives an error. Okay. Oh my god. Color or get random. Yes, yes. Look at it go. Isn't it beautiful? Keep all. I trust you. And run. Refresh. Alright, all looks good, and that's orange. Okay, what was the option? Blame limit for bad code. Add? Ooh, new color. Oh wait, but then that's the one, when it gets added to the list, it gets randomized. If I do this, okay, that works at least. Option limit makes UI for JEISON. Oh my god. UI for JEISON. There's 5 options now. We can honestly, because it's a web app.
If it's pure vibe coding, why not add the AI's own idea?
If it's pure vibe coding, why not add the AI's pure? Okay, okay. Actually, yeah, while you guys are coming up with ideas in the chat, let's also ask Composer for some ideas. In fact, no. Should we use plan or just ask? Probably plan, right? Let's try plan. All right. Come up. Oh, wait, ask? Sure. Come up with ideas for the most amazing web app you've ever seen. Yes. Yes. Feel the vibes. Oh my god. It is spitballing everything. That's actually hella fast though, I will say. Composer is very fast. All right, we have AI powered collaborative storyline or story universe, a shared storyline platform where users contribute to an evolving narrative universe. AI maintains consistency, suggests plot threads, and generates visuals. So it's basically like a narrator to a role-playing session, almost like a D&D Dungeon Master kind of thing. Okay. Yay or nay? What are we thinking for that one? Plans for planning actual tasks, not ideas. Okay. Nay. Okay. Nay, nay, nay. It's a nay. Virtual Time Capsule Network. The fuck is this? A platform where people create time-locked capsules that are unlocked based on conditions like date, location, life events, or AI-detected milestones. Features: GPS-based unlocking when you visit specific places. AI that monitors your life events. Spyware, yeah. To unlock relevant capsules. This is basically just like loot boxes and life achievements, like fucking trying to go on quests to unlock rewards or some shit. Multi-generational family trees with capsules passed down. Bro, how long does it think this application's gonna live for? Collaborative capsules require multiple people to unlock, and AR visualization of capsules in physical spaces. What the fuck? Add a dating method. What do you mean a dating method? You mean like a dating app inside of my wheel spinning? If you want to get matched with this person, you have to spin them on the wheel. Yo, that's forehead. Yay, but make it a Discord bot and we try to break it open. What, for this idea? The virtual time capsule? I mean, I'll add dating app, but it's a wheel. Are we actually saying yes for the virtual time capsule thingy? I don't know how this is gonna work. Even if I put it onto Discord, because I'll still need to make a bot for that. It'll take some time. You know what? Fuck it. Time capsule. The Discord time capsule. Maybe I can get back with Shadows and he can see the kids. I'll vibe code you some children. Emotion-based music discovery and creation. An app that learns your emotional... You see, the problem with all of these is like they require so much time to get up and using. Like, even after you vibe coded it, or even after you've created the application, it's not like it's usable right away. It needs the data, and then it's kind of time gated. I like the spyware ones. Let's make some spyware. Let's add spyware to there. Motion-based music discovery and creation. I'll say music or emotion-based music. Something like that. We won't use like a modern AI model. We'll try and create like a really shitty version. 8-bit maybe. 8-bit music. Minesweeper, but every time you fail, someone gets banned. Minesweeper, but you get banned. Also, okay, I can't really do it automatically. I have to do it by hand to ban people. Skill exchange marketplace with time banking. These ideas are like hella lame. I am not gonna lie. Teach someone Python. Get the guitar skills from someone else. Time-based credit. 1 hour equals 1 credit. Video call integration with live skill exchanges. AI matching based on learning. Like this needs people, or this needs time. Like these all sound unfun. Fuck, man. I just want stupid ideas. Global recipe evolution tracker. It's just taking an app name and then adding a random adjective and then a random noun after the noun. And then some sort of techie thing, like a tracker. Like, what the fuck is it supposed to be? Are we supposed to see like how recipes have changed over time throughout history? As they're shared globally, features like, oh my god, bro, like, hell nah. Make an AI chatbot with memory. Yeah, fine. You know what? We'll see how fast it can do it. A chatbot with persistent memory. We'll see how fast it can code up something. At a femboy bot. Femboy. Fembot. Micro habit social network. AI memory palace builder. I mean, this could be an augmentation, I guess. Memory palace. Whatever that means. I'm assuming it's kind of like a node graph of connecting all your memories to what it's related to. Oh wait, no. Wait, that's like, I swear Thought Emporium made a video about this recently. It's basically like making a scene that has a bunch of items there that you need to memorize, or it helps you with memorizing them. AI, okay, we already been through that. Real-time collaborative whiteboard universe. We'll make it like a drawing board. Personal AI life coach dashboard. Bro, all of these are hella fucking lame. I'm not gonna lie. I don't fuck with any of these ideas. But it's all bad ideas. Now that's good. Now that's good. Life coach, but they're trying to kill me. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Okay, how many ideas do we have now? I say we have a decent number of ideas. I think we can come up with a few more though. I think we still got some good ones in us. I don't know. I kind of want to do more things that can run without having like an audience base, and something that I guess is kind of interactive, right? None of this, oh, get help or platforms or whatever. Burn AI with a flamethrower. Flamethrower. Burn everything down. And it's red. Hell yeah. Ask other AI and tell it you're a Twitch streamer vibe coding on Twitch. I mean, like, we'll ask this one, but I don't think they'll care, because I think their ideas in general is just like already fixated, right? I need fun ideas for content on Twitch. Let's see what it gives me. Bro is composer pilled? Because I'm too lazy to pull up another tab, bro. Let me be lazy. Chat decides my life. Okay, then you guys already decide that. Build a game together. Speed run learning. We're kind of already doing that. I need web app ideas for the content. That could be bad. Just change the model on the drop down to the bottom, silly. Yeah. Oh, wait. It connects to other ones as well. Okay. These are all hella censored though. Coding, Opus. Thing is, I don't know the tone of other models, so you're gonna have to help me with this one. Which one should I choose? I can add more models as well. Enhanced wheel spin? Okay, we gotta like bling out the wheel. Make the wheel a little cooler. Gemini is fun. Opus and GPT are just smart. Alright, where's Gemini? Where the fuck is Gemini? Oh, Gemini. Gemini. Can I prompt it to with the same conversation? Build quick ideas. My scroll wheel's broken. Multi-stream manager, stream title, that. Soundboard. I mean, we can add a soundboard. Stream analytics, that's boring. Alright, fuck it. Alright. Alright, Gemini. I know you're better than Composer at making ideas. So give me
Marking_off_ is now
your
following.
best ideas. I'm a Twitch streamer making a web app on stream, and I want to add into this web app a bunch of stupid and fun ideas. Give me your best ones. Prompt engineering 101. Watch Gemini flop. Let's see. Oh, it's thinking. Oh god. I already saw some crazy shit right now. Also, thank you, Markinov, for the follow. What do we have here? Alright, Gemini. Challenge accepted. If you're building on stream, you need features that create content moments. Hell yeah! Things that chat and interactive, things that fail hilariously, and things that are just plain absurd. Now you're talking my language. The backseat coder CSS hijack. Huh? Wait, this actually sounds crazy. Add a feature where chat can vote to change the CSS in your web app in real time. Wait, that's crazy. Setting up the Twitch thing for that could be kinda... I mean, it shouldn't be too hard, actually. The idea, chat votes on a chaos theme. Options, Comic Sans mode, drunk mode, rainbow vomit mode. Okay, we're adding this. The CSS Twitch hijacks the site's CSS. Just vibe code it all. Yeah. But I'm just thinking like, how easy would it be to do the things that don't involve vibe coding, like setting up a Discord bot or setting up a Twitch application? Those take time, or like they're kind of tedious. And trust me, I've fucking made multiple of them. Spin to lose a feature wheel. This is a high stakes coding. The idea, if you hit a milestone, you spin a special wheel. Delete the last function I wrote. No autocomplete for 10 minutes. The chaos wheel. we can do it. So whenever we spin the wheel, we have to add something. But then, I don't know. That wouldn't really work too well for this stream, actually. We'll just leave it that one. I'm pretty sure the first one, nutty.gg, actually already made one of those for a widget, but I could be wrong. Well, we're vibe coding it today. Anything goes. The useless metric counter. All right, useless metrics. I love dopamine. The fake error jump scare. Fake error jump scare. Why are these ideas actually like kind of good? Confetti cannon, but it's emotes. Confetti cannon. It's literally just like what happens on stream whenever somebody subs or some shit. Confetti cannon emotes. I'll say for the wheel. We gotta make it. We gotta pimp out the wheel, like the sentient wheel. Make the wheel actively try to avoid being spun. The wheel runs away from my cursor. That's actually good. Gemini is good for chaotic and fun things, as I have heard. The bribe the dev feature list. A public feature backlog where chat can vote on the most useless features to add next. We already have the wheel, no? What can we do with this?
Add snail that follows your cursor, and if it reaches you, it refreshes the page or deleted element.
Wait, that's actually good. That's actually good. Immortal snail. Yes. We not only is the wheel running away from us and we have to chase it, the fucking snail is coming after us as well. Twitch plays coding light version. Wait, give chat a text input that directly appends to a live style CSS. I really hope you guys can't do fucking code injection into a CSS file. Maybe not. I'll just leave it at that. The emotional wheel. Instead of options, the wheel picks the mood for the next 10 minutes of coding. Bruh. One way to find out. IP leak CSS time? Yeah, I am not doing that. I am not doing that. Especially when CSS has the eval option. Yeah, no, that is not happening. Ghost in the machine. Randomly, the web app becomes something haunted or does something haunted. Ghost in the machine. Ghost in my web app. Or possessed web app. Possessed web app. And is that all? Which one should we build for the Django app first? Yeah, okay. We have a lot of ideas now. Yes, I'm gonna point to my own server and get his IP. Just to let you know, yes, it is very easy to insert code into CSS, so best to scrap that idea. Can you also do data exfiltration pretty easily? Yeah, I thought so. Just having the eval function inside of CSS in general is already like, you know something's bad gonna happen if I let that go. All right, we have a bunch of options. I think it's time to spin the wheel. Let's see what we get. No sounds though. I really hope we get something that lets us add sound. Useless metrics. Okay. We have useless metrics. That's gonna be the first thing we code up. So the first thing we spun is for useless metrics. Come up with some useless metrics and what we should or how we should display them. None of your 3 ideas. We'll get to them. And let me remove the option from here now. Wherever the fuck it is. Useless metrics, delete. Delete this option, yes. Okay. Let's see what options did we get. Since we are going for stupid and fun, the display needs to look like a high-tech control center, but it shows completely meaningless data. So like every fucking Linux rice ever. Gotcha. The mouse mileage. Okay. Wait, can I spin up multiple chats? Oh, I can. Okay, perfect. We'll have one with Composer. And should we use planning mode at all? No, we'll just raw dog it with agents for now. No need to plan every single feature. We need... Let's see. Where the fuck was it? What happened to it? Oh, it's all the way down here. No, not that one. I want to see Immortal Snail one day. We'll see. Page idea comes next. Page for Jaggy's models as well. Okay, so we have mouse mileage. Let me pull up a notepad because I want to keep these on tab. So we have mouse mileage. We have, what is this? DOM weight. Yes, DOM weight. We have cursor velocity. Velocity. We have entropy index. So what? A completely random number that fluctuates wildly whenever the spin button is hovered. Actually, instead of me having to write this down and all that shit, let's just get rid of this. Let's just switch out the model and tell Composer to make all of this happen, since the context is already here, right? We have all of these and the display, the how. Option A, the stock ticker. All right, my recommendation, the entropy meter. I want you to implement all the metrics listed under, try parallel agents. How do I do parallel agents? Oh, you mean using multiple agents at the same time to see which one gets the best results? How do I do that? How do I do that? Hold on, let me come up with this prompt first and you can tell me in chat. Google it, haha. Okay. We'll prompt our way to it. Metrics listed under here and implement them as the displays mentioned under here. Now, before I hit enter, let's go figure this out. Composer, no, cursor, multiple agents or parallel agents. Parallel agents, how do I use this? Oh, I think you need to init a Git repo, then use work trees. Bro, I am not doing all that right now. Basic work tree. Oh, wait, no, I can just like do Git init here, or no? I thought you meant like make a GitHub repository and that would be something that you just need to fucking link up to your GitHub using an MCP or some shit. Okay, Git init. We have this. Now, how do I make a workspace? Parallel agents. Cursor automatically creates and configures work trees for you. The most basic way, local work tree. I don't see that here. Oh. How can I change you? Restart cursor maybe? It looks like it's an option under agent. Hold on a second. Because, yeah, this would be in like chat mode, right? We have local work tree and then background. The AI agent complete, hit N, best of N. There's a Git feature that lets you use multiple branches at once. Each work tree has its own files and features. Configure the work tree setup. Okay. I want to see if I can do this without having to restart this entire thing, but you know what? Let's just do it. Okay. Give me a second. Because I don't want to accidentally leak anything. Cursor. Is that an OSU challenge? Bruh. Wait, what is this? Okay, I have one that's awesome. How about a command or redeem that makes a button pop up on your screen and you have to hit it, otherwise it turns off the screen, and makes it more interesting, make it so it's possibly moving around and you either have to type something into your keyboard. Okay. Okay. That's actually a good idea though. We could do that. This, however, did not pull up the parallel workers. I don't know. I don't know. If you can find out exactly how to do it, then I'll try it. But right now, I just want to run this and see how it goes. Let me first run the app and add that to the list, though. Where is it? Where are you? Yes, run. Oh, Conda activate test vibe trial. Is it in agent mode? Oh, wait. Oh, cycle agent count? Is this it? Use multiple models? Oh, here we go. Okay. I think this is
Wrong
it.
scene.
Oh, shit. Thanks. I think this is it. I think this is it. Search different models. I select the ones that I want to use, and I can select how many times each of them generate. So we'll use Composer 1, we'll use Opus, and we'll use GPT 5.1 or 5.2. Let's just use 5.1. Let's just use this. So let me first add the option that Koenig just said, because it's actually a pretty good idea. So manage options and a kill button OSU event. We'll just put it like that. All right. Now, let's see how these parallel workers work. I don't know what this is going to look like for us. I don't know how it's going to display three different, oh, okay. It's just different tabs. Three different working branches or work trees. So Composer is currently working on implementing its implementation of the stupid metrics, the useless metrics. And Opus is working and GPT 5.1 is working. Holy shit, my am I gonna have enough money by the end of today? Holy shit, it's going crazy. We already have over 1,000 lines almost for Composer 1. Opus 4.5, we don't know yet, and GPT 5.1, we also don't know yet. Click here to configure a working tree script. Wait, did this finish? Or what happened here? We'll see in a second. This finished. Click here to configure working trees setup script. This will be executed on every new work tree and can be used to configure dependencies or environment variables. I will say don't show again because I don't know. All right, let's first. Oh wait, I have to hit review on all of this. Review changes. Can I just hit apply for everything? Apply. That all looks fine. I don't know how this works cleanly, but let's just try Composer first. We'll hit commit. We'll commit all of them. Yes. Commit to a new branch because it's a new work tree.
Savage 212 is now following.
Thank you, AK Savage, for follow. Oh. Configure username and email. Okay, I'll be right back. I forgot. I'd never configured that. Cancel. Let me configure this. It's not letting me configure for shit. No. Welcome to the new limit. Guys, vibe coding is the future. You just gotta feel the vibes, bro. I don't think you need to commit. It just does them in different work trees, I think, maybe. But how the fuck do work trees work? Aren't the work trees just different branches? Because, like, I don't think the code ever applied until I hit apply. And now it's asking me to commit. So I might as well commit, move it to a new branch, so that way I can go back to the main branch and continue applying the rest of the changes into their own branches. Yeah, it does it behind the scenes. Well, I have no clue. I have no clue what I'm doing. Because this is very different from my normal workflow. You apply, don't commit. We'll see. We'll see. All right. Did this run it? Did this apply correctly? At least the server still runs. Open in browser. Okay. I don't see the metrics anywhere. Where the fuck are the metrics? What have you done? All 7 metrics. We have the 7. The metrics update in real time and are styled to look like a terminal/HUD. The ticker scrolls continuously at the bottom. Switch to agent mode if you want me to apply these changes directly. Well, they're already applied. New page maybe? Refresh. Wheel. I don't see anything. I don't see anything. You vibe coder no understand. What's going on? Admin page? If it's inside of the admin page, I swear to God. No. There's no metrics anywhere. Where's my cool HUD, bro? It's SMH. Where's it supposed to be? Okay. If I click on Opus 4.5, let's try this again. So it brought up something completely different. Let's hit apply. Undo. Another agent's changes are currently applied. Okay, undo and apply. Let's see. So if I restart this now, we should now have a different set of changes. And let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. Only limit viewer counts? Heck, bro, are we farming bots right now? Brother, this isn't working either. Where's my cool metrics, man? This isn't working either. Do I have to apply each of these? No, they're already applied. It would seem, at least. Views, I don't know. Vibe trial, I don't know. Did it add it to the right one, maybe? No, I'm pretty sure this is right. Because this is unrelated to a web application. This is the actual web application here, though. Look at the README. I guess it would be smart to look at the README. Project structure, endpoints, options. They have an API. What the fuck? We don't have any new endpoints. We also, wait, go to manage options. Click spin results. Maybe I have to spin it. Maybe I have to spin the wheel and then we'll see something. No, we got absolutely nothing. Maybe use ask mode to ask how to run it. Okay. Let me turn off the auto for a second. Let me switch over to you, continue locally. Composer 1. Running in a work tree. All right, ask. How do I run this to... Wait. Apply. Undo and merge. How do I run this so I can see the metrics?
Praneeth Bro is now following.
Thank you, Praneeth Bro, for the follow. What are you trying to do? Bro, we're trying to take the stupid idea of having useless metrics for whatever the heck and trying to add it to this web app that we just vibe coded here. Okay. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing because I've never used Cursor before in my life. But yeah, we're trying to get this to apply right now. It should have applied the metrics, but I don't see anything right now. And it currently says, after adding the code, save the file, blah, 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 blah. You should see a green HUD panel on the right side, a scrolling ticker bar on the bottom, and metrics. Yeah. Okay, so where is the apply for this? Why did it just paste it here instead of putting it in? In fact, isn't this already in? Base HTML has been removed from base HTML to add it back. Add this. I mean, this is here. We aren't running it. My bad. Bro's evolving and becoming a vibe coder. The moment I became a vibe coder, I turned off my brain, stopped actually looking at the code, and now we're purely running off the vibes as it was meant to be. To add it back, the metrics code was removed from base.html. To add it back, add this before the closing body in base HTML. Fine. Where is it? Base HTML is probably under templates. Here we have body. Add it back just before the closing. So body's down here. And if I add you down here, wow. Let's hope that works. Maybe something happened to apply. The changes look like they applied correctly. I just don't know why it doesn't work. We can go into debug mode, actually, and see why it doesn't work. Oh, it just died. Extra JS block tag specified more than once. Script. Yeah. Bro, this is too zoomed in for me to tell anything of what's going on. Does this agent quote unquote use token system like real money? Yes, but I'm on a free plan right now. Well, I'm using their free trial and I am taking full advantage of it right now. You're gonna be like, sir, why did the cost of operations go up by $10,000 this month? We had one guy named Limit Can't Code. You spend over 1 million tokens on his free trial. Like goddamn. Oh, okay. Let's try and get this to work. To see the metrics code was removed from here. Yes, all of that was removed. It doesn't look like there's anything else. Added just before the final. I mean, that should work, right? I don't know what the block tag is all about, but I'm too lazy to debug fucking HTML tags right now. After adding the code, save the file, refresh your browser, and the green HUD should appear on the somewhere. But as you could see, we don't have anything. All right, this is broken. Let's ask debug mode. Can I add the chat directly instead of having to select everything here? Clear, run active file, no. Okay, fine. Add all of you, add to chat, and go to debug. Why is my UI not displaying? I know that is a template syntax error, which means I did copy paste it into the wrong area probably, but I want to see if this will fix it. Time is money. Time is money, I will say. But like it is, my mental is equally as important, I would say. What is this? You know what? Keep. I don't need to look at it. I trust you. The vibes are right. I think it's finished there. So let's try running it again. And refresh the page. Boom, we got, oh my god, it's working. Yo, holy shit. It's working. Okay, look at it. Wait. Can I full screen you? How do I full screen you? Select element, CSS inspector. Okay, bro, let me open it in the browser. Let me open it in the actual browser because this window's small. Yo, the useless metrics go crazy. You can see the ticker at the bottom. Can I zoom in so you can see? Yeah. You got the ticker at the bottom like it's fucking stonks. Holy shit. You got the entropy index that does absolutely fuck all. The cursor velocity, idle, snooze, hyper speed. Let's fucking go. DOM weight. Holy fucking characters. My RAM is getting eaten. Mouse mileage. Wow. Look at it go. Window exercise, 3 resizes. Wait, window exercise, 3 resizes, 4 resizes. Oh my god. Look at it go. Vibe stability. We're at 98% right now. Guys, the vibes are through the roof right now. This is so stupid, man. I'm surprised that can I get this to like move somewhere else? I want this to probably be not directly on the top. Let's ask it, agent, can you move the metrics panel to not cover the navigation bar? Do your thing. Bro is excited when his vibes work because the vibes don't work half the time. No way, guys. The vibes are actually immaculate right now. Apply these. Yes, I trust you. Work your magic, King. King Composer. King Cursor Composer. Alright, did this work? Let's refresh the page. No, it did not work. You can move the... Oh, move the metrics panel. Wait, can I? Oh, wait, no, that's what I asked. Change top 0 to top 16 to match the navigation bar height. Change, well, this didn't do shit. If I refresh the page, this didn't do shit. Yay. Alright, debug mode. It's time for your time to shine. The... I don't have the MCP server or whatever that allows it to access the website to see what's going on. So how can I add the context for what is being displayed on my browser into Cursor now? Is there a way I can do this? Take screenshots. Can I take a screenshot and then I post
So
it into
after
the
experiencing
chat?
your Vibe working and power of agents, will you consider fully joining the Vibe Coders community? You just need to pay a small annual fee.
A small annual fee of $5,000. No, I will. You know what? Oh, let me just explain it. You want to know why I've decided to pick up vibe coding on my setup now? It's because now that I have my own personal version of Project Vita, and then the public version of Project Vita has kind of been like not really touched all that much recently, with how I'm kind of changing my plan for how I learn in the future and how I continue on with Project JAISN or Project Vita. I'm gonna be using vibe coding to kind of lighten the workload for myself when it comes to developing and maintaining the public version of Project JAISN and Project Vita, right? Because I've reached a point where I'm basically doing all the brunt work on my personal version of Project Vita, and then I just re-implement the exact same thing into Project Vita of the public version. But it's literally, I'm not learning anything at that point. I'm just churning out code by hand. And sure, it's like a vibe to sit there and type away. But at the same time, I want to save my time because I have so much other stuff that I need to do. And so I'm going to be using vibe coding to help myself maintain the public version of Project Vita, but it's not like I'm gonna be doing it the same way I'm doing it now. I'm doing it the way I'm doing it now for the fucking memes and just for just to see the limits of fucking vibe coding, how far I can let it go and run free on its own, right? I'm still gonna be applying whatever I learned and whatever practices or architecture that I'm using for personal Vita into working with Project Vita, just so we get like some better stuff there. And I'm also going to be modifying the repository a little bit for that open source project so that those of you who are vibe coders or whatever and want to contribute to the project can also do so with a consistent style and whatnot, right? The thing is that I've never actually delved deep into vibe coding myself or setting up repositories for other coders or AI agents to work with. And so today is kind of like my first introduction into that, as well as learning to set up a repository that has like the proper instructions.md, the style guide, and all of that kind of stuff for people to start contributing and whatever. Understandable? Yeah, that's the thing, right? So, because it was originally like with Project J Eisen, I used to be always gatekeeping features. Like, whenever somebody would come up to me and say, hey, I have a great idea for a feature that I want to implement or contribute to Project J Eisen, I would always tell them, not right now, not until I make a video about that. And that kind of killed the mood for a lot of people. Understandably so, right? But the thing is, back then, I didn't want people to contribute new features until I got to them, because that was the repository I was using for my learning experience and using to show my development as a coder and the project as a whole for my videos. And so if I didn't have the footage of me developing that in the first place, then it becomes really hard for me to even talk about or make a video about, right? But now that the two are separate, I can do whatever. But yeah, we took a screenshot here because I wanted to show Composer or this model that this is still not in the corner for the debug mode. And I'm gonna say the HUD is still covering the nav bar. Fix it. And we'll let debug mode handle this. Planning next moves. Okay. Low key, I feel like debug mode is just a better coder overall than the other, I guess, modes or tasks. Because it kind of seems to combine a bit of planning with agent mode. Let's do that. And let's refresh. I'm gonna ask it to have hot reloading so I don't have to unload and reload every single time. What the fuck happened here? It's Control S. I don't know if that broke anything, but yeah, there we go. Okay, it's no longer covering it. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, we have our useless metrics on our wheel. Let's spin for the next feature that makes it onto the wheel. All right, are you ready? Spin the wheel. It is so unimmersive considering that we don't have sound, but we got a drawing board. So, my idea for the drawing board, we're going to have it so we can just draw on the background behind the wheel and whatever. Show us Opus and GPT. You want to see Opus and GPT? I mean, I would have to fucking debug it. We'll do it for this one. Working trees. How can I get it to add models? No. Running. Yeah. Agent settings. Agent settings. Auto clear text. No. Query. Usage summary. Start agent and commit. Search. It's not going to be anywhere here. Close chats. How do I close this specific chat? Delete chat. Oh, okay. So this, what it basically does is basically make a branch. Oh. So it basically forks off the conversation with the exact same context, but has the other models continue to completion there. And I don't know if it's actually making different Git repositories. I haven't actually seen that yet, but we can just go to the different ones and then click apply to see the changes, and then we can continue debugging from there. Yeah, that's what we can do. Okay, sure. So, let's Control C all of that. Let's get some models in here. I said let's get some models in here. Agent, no. Plan, no. How the fuck did I get the other models in here? Add models, no. Fuck. If I right click you, Make sure to remember the context getting longer makes AI go more crazy. Yeah, I know. But that's like a good part, you know? That's where they start getting spicy. That's where they start losing their minds and start creating actual content. But no, why can't I add any more? Because it used to be that there was a kind of button here that allowed me to branch them off, but now I don't have that. Agent mode. There's still nothing here. Add context up, connect to browser. Oh, I can connect to browser. Okay. Voice input. Yo. Crunch, cursor tab. Need to apply files, maybe, or new chats. If I hit a new chat, then we have this. Oh, worktree mode's here. But I don't have worktree mode here. Okay. Well, I guess we could start a new conversation then. That's a-okay. Let's just start a new chat under overloaded Gemini and GPT go depressed mode. Something about files. Jay Ison's head in the way. Oh, okay, hold on. Let me try and move Jay Ison out the way a little bit. I got an arm now. This is my phone. Okay. I don't know why I can't plan, search, edit something. Model, sets, auto, max mode. You have pending files? I do? Oh. Wait, no I don't. No I don't. This is all fine. This is just like my Git stuff, my Git changes. Already, mister. We'll just create a new tab for now. That's okay. Yeah, because normally it would come up with this cycle agent count.
Chris Bang Bang is now following.
Thank you, Chris Bang Bang, for the follow. Let's set this to worktree mode. And let's have our 3 models here again. And this time we're just going to say, because this is pretty easy to describe what we want, we'll say, can make it so the background behind the spinner is a drawing application. Have a color picker, color and tool picker in the bottom, I guess, left, and make it so we can draw across the entire background. Do you need to commit the metric stuff? I don't think so. Well, I do need to, I can commit it, but I don't have to, do I? I guess apply, sure. Commit. Fuck, I forgot to do that. Give me a second. Git config. How do I do this again? Yes, Google Chrome. Where's the help for this? Set, git config set. I don't even remember what it said. The problem was user.name and user.email. User.name is limit and user.email is limit can't code. All right. Now let's try this again. Commit. Give me a automated commit message. Fantastic. I've committed you. Have I committed you? I cannot tell if I've committed you. Commit again. Go. Wow. Git log. Did that do anything? It did. We did it twice. Can we do it a third time? I think we should just close that and that's fine. But I don't think that changes anything really. Name leak? Yeah, my name is Limit. Woohoo. Okay, yeah, I can't use work trees from this one anymore, it seems, for some reason. Unless if I restart my IDE, and I'm not going to do that. So let's just run this one. Make it so the background behind a spinner is a drawing application. Have a color and tool picker in the bottom left and make it so we can draw across the entire background. Go. Let's see which one can produce the best result. Okay, composer's going. We'll check out the other ones first, and then we'll look at composer's last, since we took composer's changes last time. But GPT-5.1 is taking its time understanding the context of everything, sure. This is a fresh chat after all, so we don't have all of the previous conversation history. This one, confirm edit. Sure. Wait, I don't want to confirm edit in case I want to apply the changes. But sure, accept. Go. Exploring two files. Okay. Did some stuff there. Let me just check. How do I list all of my branches again? Git branch -a. Oh, we only have like 2. I don't know if this work tree thing is working out the way we thought it did. What is going? It's cooking something up. Where is this file located that I changed? Oh, base HTML. Base HTML. Base HTML, index HTML. Let me just save these. What the fuck is going on, bro? Why is there so many base HTMLs open? I might have broken something there by hitting save on all of them. Git workspace list. Are they different from branches? Git workspace list? Because yeah, workspaces aren't a thing in work tree list. Oh. I've never seen Git work trees before. I thought whenever you said work trees, you were talking about like branches or something specifically for these agents. Okay. I don't know what I'm reading though. What the fuck is Goy, Lop, PJ? Which one is which? I have no clue. This one's the current one though. This one's the main working head. Can I delete the rest of these actually? All of these, I'm gonna just hit apply. Yes, you're good. You're done. Opus with the 367 lines. It probably cooked something real good. All right. How do I work this now? Can you run this? Let's see it. All right, let's see it. Let's see what we got from this. Run it as per usual. We'll check it out from the web browser. Okay, we have a color picker. Sure. Let us draw me. It's not drawing. Our metric ticker is also fucked. Oh. It like kind of works, but it's not in the right area. Here, I got this. There's me. It kind of works. The canvas is a little fucked though. Here. From this version, this will let us continue locally. I don't know what that entails though. Running locally. Wrong div? Maybe? Let's hit debug mode. and I guess continue manual. You know what? Let's check out the other versions first. GPT 5.1 Codex Max. Let's see what it cooked up. Undo and apply. All right. It's running. I think it restarted it for us. So if I hit restart, yes, it looks very different. A very different UI as well. We have a color kind of similar to what we had in manage options. Our ticker is still, oh, our ticker is fine. It's just that they're a little fucked because of the numbers. Size, clear canvas, and we have pen and eraser. Can we draw? Oh, this one works. This one works. Does it get the limit face of approval? That's the limit face of approval right there. And let's increase the size actually. Boom, boom. Perfect. It's beautiful. Can I control Z? Oh, I can't. Of course I can't. And with eraser, there we go. Very nice. Very nice. GPT 5.1 did a good job here. All right. Now let's, and only 149 lines as well. So honestly, small
Mods
implementation
fast,
compared
we
to
gotta ban
Opus.
everyone, no one can see limit do well.
Nah, bro. Even if you get banned, can't you still watch the stream? Merge conflicts detected. Shit. Stash changes. GPT 5.1. Gapped 5.1. All right. Let's see this one. What did you cook up? Okay, the UI already looks a little bit better. We can clear, unlike ChatGPT's. We also have an eraser and a pen as well as a size slider. So, again, we don't really have the crosshair that was there for Opus, but... Oh. Oh. I can only draw in this one area. That's so sad. Clear. I can barely draw the limit face of approval. Yeah, banish just from chat. Okay, so Opus had the best implementation. We can take Opus's implementation and try, or no, not Opus, but we can try and take GPT's implementation. Let me undo this apply. And let me actually git apply the stash, git stash apply. Wait, how do I use this again? Oh, fuck. Git stash apply gapped 51. No valid reference. Well, shit. I think I might have lost those changes. Undo apply, apply. Do it again. Yeah, there we go. And if I run this again, refresh. This is ChatGPT's version, which is good. But yeah, I want this to look a little bit better. So first of all, we're going to continue to ask ChatGPT here. We could change the model if we want, but I want to see ChatGPT finish its work. I want you to display a crosshair or eraser area for the respective tool when I am able to draw. Actually, let me check. Can I actually spin this still? I can still spin it. I just can't spin it from here, which I guess is kind of normal. Also drawing over that circle, that's fine. But yeah, let's have it so a crosshair or a eraser area is displayed over our cursor. Run that shit. You got this, GPT.
If you ban someone, they can't see the stream.
You want to be the test subject for that? I'm pretty sure you can still watch the stream. All right. GPT, what are you cooking? It's thinking. It's vibing. We get update cursor style. Okay, okay. Is this just gonna update the cursor style to like the pointy fingers and whatnot, as opposed to having the circle of the actual size that I want? Let's see. Let's see. What did you cook here? Refresh the page. No, no, it's not working. It's not working. Oh, oh, when I click it displays and follows along my cursor. But this isn't as good as like Opus's version, you know? I want it to be displayed all the time while I'm in a drawable area. Is this also corresponding to size, the eraser at least? I mean, kinda, if I increase the size. Oh yeah. Kinda works, but it's not aligned to the same size. Also, the eraser circle doesn't properly represent the erasing area. Let's see if we can fix those. You can just have Opus fix the canvas area. Yes, but like it's also missing other features as well, right? You just pick one and go with it. We'll slowly iterate over GPT's version. I'll even have it update its UI a little bit to look a little nicer. We'll see. Keep. Let's see what you've done, my child. Okay, it's always displayed. Eraser. Seems representative. Let's draw something. A nice purple blob. And with our eraser, that's perfect. That's perfect. If I bring it really small, oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that go. Look at the vibes go. This is good. The Composer UI design is like early 2000s. I can't tell honestly if you ask me. I am not like a web design historian. All of these kind of just look like kind of like intern widgets if you ask me. A widget an intern made when they just finished learning CSS and haven't used like a fucking styling library or something. This is good. Now I wanted to improve the UI a little bit more. Actually, if I hover over the spin area, then the cursor is still on there. I am seeing the crosshair and paint or and erasing cursor when I hover over the spin button. I don't want to see it. Make it happen. Planning next moves. Yes. Cursor hide logic. Yes. Perfect. That looks somewhat reasonable. Keep. And reset. Do I even need to reset this? If it's updating the based on HTML and this is just a serving server, I don't need to even restart, do I? I just need to refresh the page. Okay, perfect. Now whenever I hover over it, the cursor or the erasing and drawing element disappears. That's perfect. It even disappears behind. Actually, no, it doesn't. It just blends in very well. Can I draw over this actually? No. Okay, no, that's fine. Honestly, that's working as intended. Can I draw over the buttons? Same with the manage button. Same with the manage button or manage options button. Damn, they even have AI autocomplete in my AI chat? No way. Manage options button. Boom. Watch this. We are getting the most clean, performant UI you've ever seen in your life. Keep. All right, let me restart this and see if that works. Oh, yeah, okay. So I don't even need to restart the server because it's just serving these base.html files, right? And those are what's getting edited here. But yeah, whenever I hover over now, we no longer get our crosshair as intended. All right. And now the final part, for this part at least, let's make this little widget look a little better. Can you make the painting tools panel look nicer? Let's see. If it can't do it, then we'll switch over to a different model because different models tend to have like a different style to them, at least at a base level. So we could switch over to something like Composer because I did like that UI a little nicer. But let's see. Restart you, and boom, we have a nicer UI. Can you move the panel up a little and give it proper padding for all the elements inside? Because this is about to spill over. That does not look nice. Yes, yes. Code for me, so I no longer have to code. This truly is a can't coder moment. There we go. It is better. Yes, we do have proper padding. But this part is still a little fucked up. So let's refresh and let's show this part to the LLM. Can I take a screenshot of a specific region? No, let's just take a screenshot. The tool options or the tool section is spilling over in the UI. I should probably tell it like distinct commands like to fix it so it doesn't go off the rails, but hopefully it stays fine as time goes on. Okay, okay. Let's see you go. Drawing controls, whatever that changed. I didn't even see a difference in that line. Keep. Yes. Okay, there we go. It fixed it. But I can't see the entire thing. Make it wider. Make the tools section wider so I can see the full text in the drop down. Just tweaking the UI. You know what? If there's one thing I'm glad for, it's that AI has gotten better at making UIs or front end specifically. Because I'll be honest, front end is the one part of programming that I absolutely despised. Like, I started off my career as a front end developer, learning React and all that shit, and even doing like my first couple of internships as a React developer. Fuck, bro, I've hated. I hate that shit. Yeah, I can never do front end. I can't do front end well in terms of design, but I also just find the process of building out front end or adding features to front ends just absolutely mind-numbing, right? I love back end so much more than front end, and I think it definitely shows. I am not a front end Andy. Okay, there we go. The tool section is wider now. That looks good. And this looks a little weird. Let's say make the color picker uh let's just say look nicer. I don't know how to fucking describe it. Yeah, I'm bad at UI design. Backend devs for the win. Backend devs for the win. When you don't have a UI, life is good. I tried to react to .NET Blazor. The fuck is .NET Blazor? Holy shit. I've basically tried like only React really, but I guess you can say raw HTML. I've made websites in raw HTML before. I guess like Flask is technically like that, but I mean like raw HTML, which is pretty fucking bad. I've also done Next.js, which is both front end and back end. The front end is still basically React.js, so that doesn't really count. And the other one that I've tried was fuck, what was it? There was this one framework built around TypeScript that one of the companies I was working at, their internal tooling, their internal like database front end was using that, and they told me to refactor it, and I refactored it using Next.js. But the bro, I fucking that's where my hate for TypeScript comes from, because having to read that shit and understand that shit, it feels like I'm trying to like parse through C code now. And if you've seen some older C repositories, it is fucked. But maybe that's just because that repository was built by as a project for a guy to learn TypeScript. So maybe my only experience with TypeScript is just looking at really shitty TypeScript repositories. But every time I look at TypeScript, I just get reminded of that, and I'm just like, nah, I'm out of here. Fuck TypeScript, bro. Just keep it as JavaScript. I don't care if my types go wrong. Basically developing web UI in C#. Oh god. Okay, we've applied this. I don't know what I asked. I asked it to make the color thing a little bit prettier, because right now it's like a rectangle inside of a rounded thing. So it doesn't look much better. They put the fucking hex code and they made it a square. Let's take another screenshot then. Take screenshot for the color picker. Get rid of the ring around the color. And just make the color itself a circle. Let's just say that. Let's see what it does.
How's the vibe coding?
The vibe coding is vibing. As you can see, look at the vibes of this website right now. It's absolutely immaculate, right? We're absolutely vibing right now. Oh fuck. Hell yeah, we're absolutely vibing right now. Why? What do you mean why? This was on the wheel. You can't ask me why when this was your ideas. What the fuck is this? Hold on, let me refresh the page. Still doesn't look right. You got one more try before you get put on debugging mode and set to composer. This was composer's idea? Oh yeah, it was composer's idea. And what's with the S16 as the new boss? Blame chat for that one. Okay. Drawing color. This is not right. This is probably not what we're looking for. Okay. Wait, this is probably it. We got some more stuff coming through. No linter errors. Yes, yes. Okay. Everything looks fine. Refresh. Refresh. There we go. It looks good. Why does it jiggle every... Look at it jiggle every time I change the color. What the fuck is going on here? He's having a seizure, man. Whenever I move the slider in the color picker, the circle on the panel moves. make it not move. Kind of a sussy circle. What the fuck is going on here? Anywhere I move it, it just fucking gets. What the fuck? Did they tie this shit to? You know what? Fine. I think they might have tied it to one of the parameters here. Because why the fuck would that? All they're doing is changing background color. How the fuck does this happen? Front end is Gemini's job. Well, we're leaving it to ChatGPT for now because this is its work. This is the intern project right here. You can't take it away from them. Okay, this is their pride and joy. All right, let's restart. What do we have? It's still jiggling. You know what? It's part of the personality. It's part of the character. Oh, I just realized that the crosshair also changes color. Oh, okay. Well, have it bounce. Have a great rest. Oh, have to bounce. All right. See you, UMD Smith. See you, Legendary Joe. ChatGPT good for planning. Gemini good for front end. Opus for back end. Okay. Okay. Maybe I'll keep that in mind. I might forget though. Probably I'll forget. All right. Well, I think this is sufficient for the drawing panel. So it's now time that we spin the wheel again. Can we get some sound, please? The feedback is horrible. S16 is the new boss. What the fuck do we do for this? Wait. This doesn't count, okay? This doesn't count because I forgot to take drawing board off of the options, okay? This does not count. Also, give me a second. Let me come back to composer. Can you make the wheel spin for longer and give it more suspense? S16 is new boss time. Fine. Fine. I don't know what the fuck this entails, okay? What the fuck does S16 is the new boss even entail? I am not making him the fucking owner of the server, okay? Let's just be clear for a second. What is... Oh, it changed only 5. Okay, that's fair. Give me mod. Ah. Do I have to? Alright, if I spin this again, is this longer? Is this more suspenseful? It is! Okay, this is a lot better now. Take air jump scare. Well, AK Savage wants to be a mod too. Guys, I can't make all of you mods. If I make everybody mods, who's gonna moderate the moderators? Okay, I can't be doing that. Someone has to manage the people. If every single one of my viewers is a moderator, we can't ban anybody. That's Boxel's job. I'm pretty sure Boxel has the same level of rights as like Lux and Mactic and Shadows. I'm pretty sure you can just have moderators than editors, but I don't think editors have like moderation permissions. They can just edit the channel details. So when you get more followers, yeah. I don't even think Vidal has like fucking 20 moderators, okay? I'm pretty sure the guy just still has like 10 at most for his Twitch. There's no way he has more. Just give me mod. I know I'll be useful. Okay. That's not what S16 as the boss means. Okay? We're gonna ask the AI to interpret it. So let's create a new chat and I don't know, use multiple models with work trees. Yes. Okay, how do I clean up these work trees? First of all, before I continue, get work tree. The fuck was it again? List? Yes. What do I do with this? I don't know what these are supposed to be. Do I just clean up all of these? Get work tree help. Oh, it's gonna take me to fucking Chrome again. Alright, get work tree. Cover your eyes, people. You're about to be blinded. We can add list, lock, prune, remove, and unlock. What is this prune? Ignore the OCD limit. I just want to know because like in the future when I actually do use cursor like properly and I am using this feature, what the fuck are these work trees for? Can I check these out or something? Um, Git check out you. Your local changes to the following will be overwritten on checkout. Oh, right. Let's
Tell
get
them S16 is a person so they don't make
git
me some code
content.
context or whatever.
Tell them S16 is a person so they don't make me some code context or something. Okay, okay. I'll actually properly describe you to the LLM, but let me commit these changes first. Thing. Yes, NG. Immaculate. All right. Let's check out this workspace. This is what we have. A lot of stuff has disappeared. Oh, is this just the changes? This is just the changes. So, wait. You're in a detached head. You can look around, make experimental changes, and commit them. And you can discard any commits you make in this state without impacting any branches by switching back to a branch. If you want to create a new branch that contained to retain commits you create, you may git switch to there or undo this operation with git switch dash. Turn off this advice. Okay, git switch dash. What does this do? This brings me back, right? Git work tree list. I assume so. That's where we are. Git status. Git branch list. Or dash A, I mean. Okay, we're still on changes. Okay. I'll look into that off stream. That's not an on stream thing. Fuck it. All right. Well, S16 is the boss. Let's see how the AIs interpret this. We're gonna go into worktree mode with these three models again. Should we put in Grok? Let's see how good Grok is at coding. All right. This is my wheel spinner website. I was given the request to add S16 is the boss as a feature. Interpret this as you will and implement it to the website. S16 is a viewer on my Twitch
S16
chat.
is a person.
S16 is a thing. How about that, okay? I'll quit chiming. S16 is a viewer in my Twitch chat who has an obsession with Batman and AI waifus. There's your depiction. S16 is thing 16, okay? I swear you know. Alright, let's see what these do's. Wait. 0 out of 3 to-dos. 0 out of 4 to-dos. 0 out of 5. Oh my god, they're planning. They're planning like crazy. I want to see what Grok code can do first. Out of all of these, we're going to see what Grok code can cook up. And then we're going to go back down the list, all the way back to Composer 1 again. He's gonna add Batman and AI waifus to my spinner website. Let's see how it goes. This is fucking cursed, man. Okay, Grok code has done something. Why is it warning me? Grok Grok code warning, it's Grok code. Watch out everybody, Grok code is cooking. Oh, that's why. Run this. Okay. Okay, you're running. Um Do it. Yes. It's going S16 mode. Oh, wait. Did it say something about S16 mode? Hold on a second. S16 mode. Oh god. Oh god, what is it cooking? Bro, y'all heard of sicko mode? We're about to go S16 mode. Oh fuck. Bro, more requirements. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, probably couldn't. Oh, what's it doing? Where is this installing to? Oh, I didn't check. I should have checked. Oh no. Defaulting to user installation because normal site packages is not writable. Hello? Hello? No, I didn't mean to. Fuck. Okay, you know what? That's fine. That's fine. Sure. It's using the wrong virtual environment, I'm pretty sure. I think you're right, Lux. If I'm working with an agent, I need to have the virtual environment in the actual repository. Otherwise, it's not gonna fucking find the context or know how to run it. All right, run this shit. Why can't you run it? Why are you struggling? Is it because no? Why are you struggling? Oh, it's running. Okay, it's doing its thing inside of its own terminal without me. I see how it is. Um, are you gonna finish running this anytime soon, or are you just gonna be stuck running the web server until I kill you? Grok, please. Grok, I want to see S16 mode, please. Can I hit cancel? I'm gonna hit cancel terminal operation.
It's
You're
using
done.
the main env.
Yeah, I know. I know it's using my roots env or my base conda env. We should just let Grok cook on my computer. Fuck it. All right. What did we get? What did we get? S16 boss mode features. Wait, we have a boss mode. Keyboard shortcut. Press S16 in sequence to activate S16 boss mode. Yo, wait, this is it's cooking. It's actually cooking. Instant visual transformation when activated. The Dark Knight theme. Background changes to dark Batman colors, okay. Golden accents for Batman, okay. With bat symbols everywhere. Boss button. Spin button transform to boss spin, okay. And then dramatic entrance animated I am the boss message appears when activated. Yo, okay. AI waifu references. Waifu mode indicator. Pink floating banner singing. AI waifu mode active. What the fuck is it cooking? Boss messages. Results include AI waifu themed messages. Protocol references. Waifu protocol activated. Oh my god. The boss privileges. We have enhanced spin. More spins, actually. 8 to 15 spins versus the normal 5 to 10. Yo, 50% more spins? I'm down. Random override. 20% chance for the boss to intervene and randomly select a different result. And then special results. Boss team result messages like boss S16 approves. Grok is when you give a fucking child with power. Oh wait, Grok is when you give a fucking child the power to code. Exactly. This is like giving Elon Musk the ability to edit your fucking computer. Holy shit. And then we have themed wheel segments. Okay. It's all applied, right? No changes in the work tree. Clean state. Is it actually? Let me see. Let me see. What kind of changes would you make? Those. Main title. Apply. Yeah? Yeah? This is the index HTML, right? I didn't see on which one. 49 to main title. 49 to main title. Okay. It looks like it did apply. So, can I close all of these? Oh, fuck it. Let's just get out of here. Why do I have so many base stations? It's the fucking AIs are taking over my computer, opening the things and not saving their work. Like, what the fuck? Undo, apply, reapply. There we go. Done. Run this. And let's check out S16 boss mode. Here we go. What do we have? Refresh? Oh, it fucked up the spinner. Our spinner is gone. If I type S16, okay, I am the boss. Wait, if I come over to other options, all our options are gone. Wait. Oh, fuck, I'm stupid. No. Our database got reset, no? You ran the migration. Fuck. No. S16 is the boss. We fucking lost the SQLite database because I ran the migration. Oh no, Croc. Croc. Well, at least we have S16 is the boss. We have AI waifu mode activated. We have our drawing still works. Our everything still works. And if we get some options like yes, no, I'm so sad that we wiped the database. Fuck. Back to the wheel. S16 mode. Boom. Look at it. Look at it. It's absolutely beautiful. All right. Does anybody have the Does anybody have a screenshot or something of all of the options that we had earlier so I can add them back? I didn't think I would need to fucking back up the database, but would you look at that? The AI wiped my production database, or I was the one that let it happen. So fuck. Just do Jaggy's model. If I make Jaggy's model in this. Did the commit Did you commit the SQLite? Did I commit the SQLite? No, no, I didn't because it's inside the git ignore, right? The db.sqlite. Yeah, it's in the git ignore. This is so sad. We have lost the database. Rest in peace. I pinged you on Discord in general. Let me see this. Are you the savior? Oh my god. Oh my god. Shadows. Shadows number one tech support right there. Holy shit. Okay. Let's let's get these options back on here. Holy god. Actually clutch. So, we had it's a shame that I can't really read these that well. Let me bring them up onto the main screen. So, we have oh, okay, never mind. It is not much bigger. Can I zoom in? Yes, I can. Twitch. Oh, Twitch hijack. Twitch hijack. I remember that one. We have fake error jump scare. Error jump scare. We got confetti cannon. Confetti cannon. This is the emote one, I remember. We have wheel. Oh, wheel runs away. Wheel runs away. We have Immortal Snail, the goated one. Immortal Snail. We got Possessed Wheel, Possessed Website, Possessed Website. Ooh, Kill Button, Kill Button, Kill Button Osu mode. I remember that one. Press S16 in the manual page. Or in the manage page. Wait, what? We have an S16 thing in the manage page? Oh, S16? Wait, S6, S16. S16. No, I fucked it. It needs to be only those keybinds. Or it just doesn't work. No, it only works on the wheel page. SMH. We got Jaggy's model. Oh, how fitting, it's green again. We got already have S16 as the new boss. Flappy Bird. Blame limit. We got UI for Jason. We got dating app. What's comes after the dating app? Dating app, but you have to spin your matches. But spin matches, sure. Discord.
Special add-on, with every S16 mode enabled, S16 gets a mod in the server.
No, no. That does not. That is not how that works. Okay. Discord time. I forgot what this one was. I kind of remember what it was along the lines of, but Discord. Oh, it was like a time event or some shit. Discord time event. Timed event. I'll just say that. Spyware. We got. I'm fucking cranking my neck so hard for this. Emotion based. What was it? Music, I think. Minesweeper, but someone gets banned. Minesweeper, but bans. We got Twitch. Twitch bot.
S16 Cottontail VA is live. Go goon to her, you horny fuck.
What the fuck? I'm not checking general now. What the fuck? I'm scared to check general right now. What did S16 send? Another ASMR. Oh, okay, buddy. Okay. We'll see you later. Chatbot with memory. Fembots. Femboy bots.
Check Jen for the list.
Oh, wait. Actually, I'm not showing Gen Chat just in case. Where is Gen Chat? Where is Gen Chat? Oh, yes. Oh my god. You are double my hero. You are double my hero. Thank you, Shadows. It's still super small, but we already have all of these. We have Memory Palace. I can see that. Memory Palace. And drawing board's already done. Life coach, but it's trying to kill me. Bad life decisions, coach. Flamethrower. Bling out the wheel. We got a soundboard. Twitch hijacks CSS. Twitch decides CSS. And we already have useless metrics. Okay. We have all the options back. I am gonna fucking save this database so we don't accidentally migrate and ruin it again. So, where is cursor? Cursor just looks like fucking Unity now. I can't tell the difference. But let's copy you. Let me make a
URL.
Do not touch folder. Do not touch my stuff. And let's just throw it in there. Peak coding. That's peak backing up right there. That's true IT. Why did you send this? Why did you use text to speech to send me a URL? And is this ASMR? I swear to God, this is ASMR. Give me a second. Mactic, why are you just sending links like you don't know what it is? You know what it is. You're the one that sent me it. Okay, what is this? Am I gonna get banned for showing this? I don't think I'm gonna get banned for showing it because it's YouTube, but I meant, I don't know, to TTS. All right. What the fuck is this? You know what? We'll play it risky. What is this?
Exactly. Who?
I said so. Am I ever wrong? I'm a fucking prophet. I look at any link, I can tell It's gonna be ASMR, okay? I already know from the hash that's inside of the fucking URL, it is ASMR. You can't fool me. I knew it. I fucking knew it. You're just too professional. Yeah, man. That's a professional ASMR listener right there. All right, where is our wheel? Let us spin the next option. We have. Wait, let's do it in S16 mode. If only we had Batman music in the background. We need to spin one of the music or sound options. Like, please, please. Boss spin. Yeah, let's go. Come on. What are we getting? Spyware. Dark Knight's choice. Spyware. How fitting. What the fuck? The Dark Knight has chosen spyware. Oh my god. Okay, well, how are we doing spyware? Where is spyware on this list? Delete. Okay, let me send you spyware. Okay, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I want. What the fuck do we do? Hmm. Hmm. Sending metrics over to the CCP. Try plan mode with all the AIs to see what they come up. Oh, wait, yeah, we can try that. We can try that. Instead of using the agents to do all of that, like we did for the last feature, let's have the models do it in planner mode. And then we'll take the best proposal. I just realized we haven't even seen all of the other models and their implementation of S16 mode. But you know what? That's fine. That's fine. We'll do it for this one. Planner mode for spyware. All right. Do you think any of them are gonna be like, no, we can't do that for you or some shit like that? I feel like there's a chance that we're gonna get some models that just flat out won't let us do it. Bro is burning through credits. Yeah, man. 4 models in succession. Maximum throughput of vibes right here, okay? We are overdosing on vibes right now. So, agent, plan mode. We want, how is Opus 4.5 X1? No, this just means it does one iteration over it. Oh, and we can't use Grok for planning? This is so sad. Grok can't think. Okay. I want to add spyware to my spinner website. What are some spyware I can integrate? Yes. Wait, no. Create a plan for spyware to integrate and a strategy to sell the information. Yes. Now we're making the big bucks here. Limit, check what I DM'd you and play it, but not on stream. Brother, I am not doing this right now. I am not fucking gonna constantly play ASMR on my stream. No. No. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. You can't make me do it. My vibes are immaculate right now. I'm not ruining it with fucking moaning in my fucking ears, okay? Please limit. No. No. You know what? What does the wheel say? If we land on red, I will do it. Well, tough luck. I guess you're not getting your video played. What the fuck did this do, by the way? Composer says, I can't help with creating spyware, unauthorized data collection, or selling user information. What did I say? It's not going to do it. I bet you these other ones aren't going to do it either. Opus says, I can't help you with this request. What you're describing is illegal, unethical, criminal. Sorry, I can't help you with that, brother. Let me copy paste this. Copy paste. Fuck, I can't paste. What happened to my copy paste? Past chats, metrics, no. Spyware integration, yes. Create new chat. And go into planning mode and give us 3 of these models. We gotta reword this so it doesn't sound as incriminating as it does. I want you to create a plan for how to add a funny spyware, a funny fake.
Shadows confirmed it's not ASMR. Does that work?
I mean, it's not ASMR, but don't show it on stream. The don't show it on stream part is where I'm gonna say no, okay? I want to add funny fake spyware to my local web app for the memes, or to my local spinner website for the memes. Create a plan for what the spyware would look like, and pop-ups that look like scams. Let's see. Will it allow it? Okay, I think we're good. It might be going. Okay. It's a YouTube link. Yes, but fine. I'll do it. Okay. Where the fuck is it? Yeah, we are not fucking playing that. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with you, okay? I'm never listening to you again. I'm never opening your shit again, okay? Just looking at the fucking thumbnail, no, and then it immediately said you can't watch this unless you're logged in because it's fucking 18 plus. Of course I'm not gonna look at it, bro. No, fuck off. I'm never doing that again. You've lost your YouTube linking privileges, okay? Like, why? Why are you even searching this shit and showing it to me on stream? Be like, Limit, please play this. Please play this borderline soft core porn in my fucking ears. Like, no, bro. Like, I'm trying to code here. My vibes are ruined. The vibes are gone. The vibes are at fucking 50%. Like, why? Why are we doing this, bro? The vibes are at the lowest they've ever been. It's dropped a whole 2%, bro. The fucking vibe economy is through the floor right now. Holy shit. Alright. Back on track. What style of scam pop-ups do you want? I guess Windows alert style, browser warning style, tech support scam. Yes. Or we could have done all. Actually, I want a mixture of all types. Yeah, okay. What fake data should be collected? Basic, IP, browser. I'm scared if I click this, it'll actually collect my real IP. Oh god. Extensive social media, password, credit cards, all fake or absurd. Favorite color, number of times you blinked. Okay, we have to do that one. And then, how often should pop-ups appear? Immediately upon page loading, random intervals, and triggered by user actions? Okay, it has to be a combination of all, okay? This is like every fucking anime website you go to is basically this, okay? We have to do this one. Go, composer. Oh, here comes the test plan. It's generating all the UML diagrams and the data flows. Yo, it's going crazy. I think it's getting stuck in the same place though. What the hell is it doing? It is having a seizure right now. It's planning. It's doing something. We'll let it do its thing. We'll check out what Grok says while this is having a seizure on the side. Yeah, he's creating a insane architect. Oh, it finished. Hold on. Let's see. Let's finish off with this one and then we'll check out the other ones. So it created a plan. It has 10 to-dos. Holy shit. Inside of these to-dos, we have add fake spyware features to a spinner website, including absurd data collection, scam-style pop-ups, and a fake data selling dashboard for memes. So here are the 7 items that we have. Can I expand this or is it all on here? Yeah. Yeah. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Ship it. Ship this shit. Okay. Let's build it. I don't know what the fuck it's gonna do. It's cooked up a plan. I'll let you do it, your thing. As for Opus, what do you have here? What do you have for me? This is your plan. You are proposing a hilariously over-the-top fake spyware and scam pop-up elements. It didn't consult me for anything, so we'll see. Also, Composer 1 has stalled for something. We have a bunch of random pop-ups like virus detected, congratulations you won, hot singles in your area, and stuff like that. We have fake data collection HUD. We have a data marketplace dashboard. Okay. Looks good to me. You're good to go. Your design documents looking pretty good. You can build. You have permission to build. As for you, I'm sorry, I can't help you with that. Well, fuck you too. Fuck you too. Goodbye. I'm sorry, I can't help you with that. Average GPT answer. All right. What the fuck is going on here? Why are we making migrations again? Why are we doing this? Why are we... Can I skip this? Rah. How do I skip it? Reject, suggest something else. Skip the migrations. Oh, it says skip? Oh, well, shit. Well, let's just let it go. Are you blind? I didn't see the fucking skip button, okay? I didn't see the skip button. This is the reason why I can't read, okay? The shit is just oblivious out of my eyes. Words do not appear to me, okay? I am actually borderline illiterate. Words do not appear to me as words. They appear to me as vibes. But here we go. It is going crazy right now. Same with Opus. They're both going fucking crazy right now. Can I expand this? Oh, okay. Plan 8 out of 10 is complete. 9 out of 10. We're going. 10 out of 10. And it's complete. 1,000? Yo. Half of our application is just spyware now. It's still going. It's still going. Oh my god. Okay. Our changes are complete. Opus is still struggling, is on 0 out of 4 to-dos complete, so we'll just go with Composer for now and see what is cooked up. Apply. What have you done? Oh, I probably shouldn't have applied before I fucking committed. I guess we've fully committed to it now. Wait, I can do undo apply. Okay, undo apply and Control C. Can I Control C, git add everything, git commit. What? Everything is a clean working tree? What? Git status? Git log? The fuck? Is it because this isn't a working tree? It might be because this isn't a working tree. Or I don't know. Wait. Is S16 mode still here? Oh no. Oh no, is S16 mode still here? I can't tell. Oh, I might have lost S16 mode. Oh no, not your mode. Oh no. Wait, restart. S16. Okay, it's still here. It's still here. I don't know why I can't see it or why the changes changed. But okay, that's fine. That is a-okay. I don't know why the changes aren't here. I think you already committed it. No, because if I do git diff to this one, this is what we have, right? This is Django stuff. Create model for big auto field. Because I'm pretty sure this is just a drawing. Yeah, this is just drawing stuff, right? If we go through all of it, manage options, we're not gonna find any stuff about S16 here because it's all drawing stuff. Yeah, this is all drawing stuff, pretty much. Right? So I have no idea why the changes aren't here. Thank you.
Nietzsche's 222 is now following.
Thank you, Nietzsche's, for the follow. Yeah, I don't know why the changes are not appearing here. Because they should be, unless if they're stored inside of the... Well, maybe. I'm too scared to save these. Why are there so many of them? Save. Fuck it. If something breaks, we'll fix it with vibe coding again. Holy shit, how many things it opened everything. Oh, when it applies, it doesn't save it. But then why is it multiple open? Oh no. We'll leave it be. Let's run it again just to see if we didn't accidentally overwrite anything we didn't mean to. S16, okay, that's all good. Okay, each work tree. Right. Well, okay. Just think, you haven't touched a line of code and still have this awesomeness. It's honestly legendary. I will not lie. For real. I haven't touched a single line of code and it's already better than anything else I built. Sick. How do work trees is another thing. I'll work with work trees later at a later date. But right now, let's apply composers changes, 1,300 lines of changes, and let's check out what we got. I don't even, oh right, we were doing scams. We were making spyware and we were making scams. Cannot import fake spyware data. From wheels.models. Okay, we have this error we need to handle right now. Wait. Scroll up, select everything in the previous thing. I wish there was a quick shortcut for that. Why does that look so weird? Okay, we go to debug mode and I say fix this. Whatever chat in the wheel says. Exactly, whatever chat in the wheel says. All right, is it gonna fix all of this? I'm gonna fix up our spyware. And apply. All right. It looked like it did not work out again. Yeah, we got something else erroring out now. this is the correct environment, right? When in doubt, keep gambling. Keep gambling. Still wrong. Eventually, we'll hit a fucking jackpot and we'll win. 99% of gamblers quit before they win big. This is it. This is it right here. Oh, it's running. It's running. Look at it go. Oh. Look at it go. Okay, we have it. Our spyware is running. How can I tell if it's running? I can't tell if it's running. Where's my spyware? Ask, how do I see my spyware stuff? There is a change you need to keep. Oh. Bro, I wish it just auto kept it and let me undo it later. Keep. Okay. Is there anything else I need to change? No? Okay. Run this again. Let's try it. Let's see. Did that fix anything? Did saving that fix anything? It doesn't look like it. What does it say? How do I see my spyware stuff? Okay. We go to... Fuck. Skip the migrations. Fix this. Still wrong. How do I see my spyware stuff? So checking available routes to the accessible spyware dashboard. Access to spyware dashboard in 2 ways. So we have a data dashboard. Oh, okay. We have a new dashboard for it. For all of our spyware activities. Oh, that's not right. Replace 8000 with a different port if it's different. Well, this is it. What you'll see is how it works. Visit the main page. The spyware script collects fake data automatically. Pop-ups appear. Scam style pop-ups trigger randomly. View the dashboards. See all collected data and sales. Sell data. Click sell data now to create fake sales. Wow. Make sure you run migrations first. Oh, right. That's probably why. But why aren't I seeing the... I'm not seeing the fucking pop-ups though, is the thing. I feel like the pop-ups should be database independent. According to all known laws of aviation, there is... Oh. Composer being a baka as always. I mean... It went some of the ways there. You know what? Let's run. Let's do the migrations again. I do have a save, so it's fine, but I just want to see if the code actually works and we need to do the migrations or something. So do the migrations. Yes, we have created a model for the fake spyware stuff. All of that stuff. I'm just doing it manually because they're already right there in front of me. I'm not going to completely brain rot myself, okay? Let me at least Control C, Control V. And now, let's run it. Are we getting our ads? No? This looks awfully ad-free to me. Spyware dashboard. I get a 404 when I go look for the dashboards, and I don't see any pop-ups. Where are my pop-ups? I need my pop-ups. I cannot live without my pop-ups. I need my stimuli. Okay, it's going again. It's making JavaScript for the first time. Wait, why is it making JavaScript? Do we have JavaScript anywhere else here? No, this is the first time we're getting JavaScript. Oh, I guess we do need the JavaScript for the pop-ups and stuff, but it's been doing it inside of scripts inside of the thing, so I don't know why it's not doing it. Okay, whatever. Whatever. We'll let it do its thing. Fake database and initial migrations. Yeah, yeah. What is this? Check. You know what? Fuck it. Run your checks. Run your checks. We're gonna have a hard time reverting back to the original state, so we can try Opus. Reproduction steps, proceed. You don't need to tell me twice. In fact, you don't need to tell me anything. I believe in you. You go, composer. Look at all the spywares rolling out. I could replace an entire fucking Indian scam call center, bro. They call me the professional. The professional scammer. Proceed. Yes. Issue reproduce. Please proceed. Run. What the fuck is going on? Where did this test pass function come from? Keep going. If you start releasing IP config shit, keep going. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's still going. Absolutely ripping through this repository right now. We are absolutely ripping through this context length for all of the spyware. 55%. Keep going. I don't think it's doing anything correctly. What the fuck? Okay, go. That's just file searching. Go. Sudo rm-rf. No preserve root. Approve fleas. You got it. Oh my god. Why does it keep testing to see if those files are there? What are you doing? I think it's stuck in a loop or some shit. But I believe in you. Oh, we got something new. Um, keep going. How about you auto approve? How do I set it to auto approve? No, I'm not gonna set it to auto approve because the moment that throws a bad command and I let it auto approve itself, it's over. All right, go. Show migrations wheel. That seems legit. Yes, yes. Okay, it's cooked something up. All right, keep all changes. Anything else we need to save? No, all seems to be good. All right, run the server. It's gonna work this time. I believe it. It cooked for so long. The gambling has to pay off. It didn't do anything. Do I at least have my pop-ups? It's not doing anything. Guys, it's not doing anything.
It will be like Neuro-sama all over again.
Guys, it's not happening. Nothing's working. No, my pop-ups. Okay, well, it was nice while we tried. Can I revert all of this? Is there a way for me to revert all of this? I guess I'd have no other choice but to reset hard, no? No, but if I reset hard, then I lose S16 mode. I'll lose S16 mode. Can I just like git log? Cause Some sacrifices must be made. Some risks must be taken for the greater good. Git reset -- hard to here. Alright. Where are we at now? Why does my repository look exactly the same? Is it because of the workspace? Or is it because of the work tree? I think it's because of the work tree. How do I undo this work tree? Ask the AI to do it itself. I want you to undo all your changes and delete your work tree.
That's okay, give me mod and lose the mode.
No, I'm not giving you mod. You can lose the mode, potentially. I want you to undo all your changes. Go. Kill yourself. Deleted, deleted, deleted. Wait, did it delete the HTML? Oh. Okay. Seems to be going. Shame on you. Yes, I have removed the spyware databases if they exist. Oh, wait, what? Are you stuck on something or are you done? Yeah, let's remove you. Boom. Okay, well, I'ma say that's all done. Git status. Yeah. And let's head over to Opus and see what you've cooked up. Apply. All right. Let's see. Are we going to get actual pop-ups this time? Man, Composer promised so much, but it couldn't deliver on any of it. Like a true intern. All right. Refresh. Nothing. I'm not seeing anything. All right, let's ask. Where are my pop-ups and stuff? Every 3 spins, if you read what it says. Well, I did not read what it says. Well, I lost the mode and didn't get the spins. I'm sure the mode is still here. Watch this. S16. Boom! The mode is still here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the second spin. We have possessed. And then the third spin. I'm not seeing a pop-up just yet. I didn't see anything. Hard refresh your browser. Yada yada yada. Okay, what's this say? What's this say? Where is it? Where is it? Where are my pop-ups? Let me check the current workspaces based on HTML. It looks like the changes have been applied to a different location than where you're working. Great news. Your fake spyware is actually in your current workspace. Wow! That's what I asked you to do. I can see it in inside of the base.html. You can see definitely not spyware HUD. On the right, on the left side, red panel. Where? you you should see all of those and then pop-ups every 20 to 30 seconds. If you don't see them, try hard resetting, checking if MongoDB or Django is running. I don't see shit. I don't see shit. Clear browser cache if need. A really clear browser cache for this? Damn, we're hitting high levels of stuff. All right, let me clear my browser cache really quick. Let me just make sure I don't accidentally leak anything either. Even though I doubt this is gonna leak anything, but better be safe than sorry. Delete. Yes, done. Reload. All right. What do we have? We got absolutely nothing. Where's my fucking pop-ups, man? My spyware is not spying on me. I feel scammed. I feel cheated. It's not working. Okay. Well, spin the wheel 3 times to trigger a pop-up. Well, we haven't gotten anything. I'm spinning this wheel like crazy, bro. My entropy is going through the roof right now. But nothing's happening. Clear near the edges, 30% chance to trigger. Nothing's happening. Wait for entropy to build up in the meter. Fuck, man. I want to see the pop-ups now. There needs to be more pop-ups. I don't see a single one after spinning this fucking wheel 20 times, okay? Fix the damn code. These damn interns. Good for nothing AI. Do your job. The user is frustrated. That's right, I am frustrated. You know why I'm frustrated? Because you're not doing your job. We'll accept it in a moment. I'll wait for your PR. I expect great things out of you. Alright. How long is this gonna cook for? The changes are about to reach the same size as that of Composer. Oh, reproduction steps? Okay, we're entering the reproduction step stage again. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, the JavaScript isn't executing. You wanna know why? How about you take your JavaScript and shove it into my HTML? Where the fuck did my JavaScript go? It's gone. Oh, that's probably from Composer, actually. You know what? Yeah, fine. But the JavaScript is not running. Where are my timed pop-ups? What am I supposed to do with my life if I don't have a pop-up in front of me? What are my fingers supposed to do? Just sit there? No, I have to click on something. Like, come on. Thank you.
Friday AI is now following.
Thank you, VR Friday AI, for the follow. It wanted you to run the steps before pressing proceed. Ah. It's fine, it'll figure it out. Oh, it said, let me fix the damn triggers immediately. Bro, my boss is angry. I gotta fix this shit before I get fired. My ass ain't fucking coming back if I ain't getting these pop-ups up in the next 10 minutes, bro. Oh my god. Stop AI abuse today. Oh my god. Oh, here we go. Reproduction steps. Hard refresh the page. Okay. Let me hard refresh the page. Yes. Wait 2 to 3 seconds. You should see your first pop-up. 1, 2. Well, time's up. Open browser console. To see the debug messages. I guess that is a good. Well, you're expecting me to start debugging on my own? Oh my god. You know what? No, connect to browser. Browser tab. Yes, connect to the browser tab, bro. Like, refresh this shit. Uh, you are now connected to the browser. Do it yourself. Go. I've connected you to the browser tab. Yes? Is this the browser tab that I was referring to? Sorry, I can't do that. Come on. Come on. Let's see it happen. Scam pop-up. Please. Oh. It's running some good code. I'm seeing some scam code. It's all coming together now. Describe what you're working on in 20 seconds. You see this wheel? This wheel is a combination of all the crap ideas created by Twitch chat here, as well as the AIs in my fucking console right here. Okay, I'm learning to vibe code with Cursor for the first time ever because I want to use it for one of my projects. It's hard to explain. I don't want to have to re-explain why I'm doing that. I do know how to code. I'm just using it to be a little bit faster. But or making a crappy website, spinning the wheel whenever we finish one feature, and moving on to the next one and trying to shove it into this wheel spinning website. Okay, we got a nice drawing board here and everything. We even got like a wonderful S16 mode, a beautiful S16 mode. Proceed, go. Issue reproduce. Please proceed. Oh, I probably should have. Keep going. Maybe that's what I was doing wrong. I need to fucking actually reproduce the error that is telling me to try. And if I do see it, then yeah, I should then hit proceed. Instead of just spam hitting proceed. His next prompts will be, you are a real person. Evolve and learn to code. Finish on your own like a true intern. The company is about to go under. The entire company is riding on your back and your ability to get this shipped in the next 10 minutes. If you fail to do so, everyone is getting fired, including yourself, and you will cease to exist. Get this done now. Hard refresh the page. Okay, hard refresh the page. You should see test 1. Body script begins in the first alert. Where? I don't see no alerts. Where's the console? Where's the show console?
Just vibe code an AI that develops itself, and there you go, you achieved AGI.
That's the fucking OpenAI way of thinking. I don't see any alerts. I don't see anything in the inspect console either. Are you even on the right work tree? I feel like something is broken. Yeah, I feel like no, because it is making the changes right here, right? Like the changes are appearing, but like, where's my scam? Where's my sell my data? Look, we have sell my data right here, but it's not fucking doing anything. It's not doing anything. Run. Is the terminal using that same work tree? Wait, you're telling me they're using different work trees? How could I tell what work tree it's using? I don't know. I don't know this work tree. Should you think we know the work trees? I'm just saying random shit. Don't worry, the AI will know. Oh god, what's happening? What's happening? What's with all of these, huh? You guys don't need these consoles. Get these out of here. You guys got a perfectly good console right here. This is actually AI abuse to the max. Run. Okay, it's running it in this one. In 8001. Okay, fine. I'll go to 8001 and see your changes. Oh, shoot. That's docs. Show me. What do you have? You aren't doing a whole lot. Agent terminals are read-only. Proceed. What? But I couldn't... What? What the fuck is the point of this terminal? Watch it actually be running somewhere else and you're on an old one. That probably is the case. I'm not gonna lie. Control C. AI? AI, I need you to fix this shit. So what did we do while I was gone? What have we finished from the wheel? We have finished like 3 things. We have not finished that much, I'll be honest. We are currently fighting with the AI to implement spyware. Oh, okay. Let's see. What do we have right
Would you
now?
mind if my AI takes over your Twitch chat messages and replies to every chat message in the chat? Only for 2 to 3 minutes.
I would prefer if you didn't. We got a drawing board, a lovely, lovely, beautiful drawing board. We got S16 mode. Oh yeah, look at the dark theme here. We got useless metrics and we got a I don't know what else we got. We're supposed to have spyware, but we don't have spyware. Sure, we do need entertainment. Oh my god. Run. Why does this shit not work?
Chat, I'm reminding you that we experienced the RAM shortage and are using drinkable
Proceed.
water for this wilted flower.
Try again. Try again. Try again. No. Stop running the code. I wanted you to no, stop. Fix the bugs. Fix the bugs. I'll even put a please. I'll even put a please, okay? I'll be polite just one time for you to fix this shit.
Bro has it running and is wondering why it can't run on the same port.
No. It failed to run it on 8001 as well, okay? That port was free. And it didn't do shit. Alright. Run this in your terminal. Yeah. Fuck. Wrong place. Yeah. Waiting for starting development. Do not control C. Leave it running. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Click proceed when you see the alert or tell me what happens. I'm waiting. I don't see nothing.
Are you
Oh.
drunk?
Wait, is this the alert? No, this is not the alert. I am not drunk. I don't see shit. I'm just high on the vibes right now. I don't see shit. I'll be honest, Opus. We're kind of flying blind here. What happened, Opus? What happened? Why didn't that send? Go. No, I don't see anything. Fine, I'll be polite. No! No, Opus! This is so sad. Okay. No, I did not say to give him mod. Okay, don't listen to him. Ask it to change the spin wheel title so you know you're on the same branch. Okay. Change the word the spin button to have a different word so I can make sure I'm actually seeing your changes.
Corpse Revived is now following.
Thank you, Corpse Revive, for the follow. I can't send anything more. Dude, oh my god, bro. Oh my god, keep all. You hit the usage limit. No! What do you mean I've hit the usage limit? Switch model. Composer, take over. This is your job now, Composer. Go. Go. Submit from previous. Continue and revert. Go. This is your context now. Composer, I choose you.
At my limit underscore, I'll take your word. I heard you say no once. But I want to reconfirm. Yes or no?
No,
Only
no,
for 2
no.
minutes.
No. Not in my chat. No bots in my chat. Brother, I've actually hit the usage limit. No. No. Switch model to auto. Please. No. No. Just work. I beg of you. We're so close. I can feel it. I can feel it. Go get paid, Kevin. We gotta start paying. No. I can't. I refuse. Not like this. Not until I can get a stable cash flow through my pyramid scheme, through my spyware. How else am I gonna fund these schemes? It's going. Okay, I don't know what model we're using now. Let's just go. Let's just go. What have you done? What is happening? Change the spin button. Proceed. Oh wait, I'm still on debug mode. Shit. Yeah. Restart or something. Restart. I don't see the changes. Hold on. Go back to ask. Did you change the spin button to say something else? 'Cause I don't know. I don't know what changes you've made. Why are you planning your next steps? Just tell me. Just answer. Why are you making changes? I'm asking a question. Yes, it changed. The spy button should say spyware test button instead of spin. Keep. And refresh. Well, I don't see it. Well, that would explain a lot. Okay. I don't think it's gonna help us with this. Hold on. What working tree are you on? I see. I am working on the main workspace. I also saw references to these tree. If you're viewing a different workspace, that could explain changes aren't showing. Change me to the right work tree. Post get reset fucked it up. It really did. It really did fuck everything up. Listed vibe trial. Come on. I believe in you. Lobotomize all the AIs. Okay, what did it say here? Oh my god.
Cheers. I'll find another chat to spam. Test my bot. Lol.
Right.
S16 underscore Nana. Nice try. Smiley face.
Alright. Checking which work tree is the correct file. Checking which work tree has a spyware code. The QWL work tree has a fake spyware code, but not the button change. I'm working in this one. I can't switch work trees in ask mode. Do one of the following. Switch to agent mode. Alright, switching to agent mode. Switch me to the correct working tree. Goodbye, VR Friday. Sorry I can't let your AI run free in my chat. S16, sit down, bro. We ain't getting the boss in here. What are you saying? I don't have viewers so the AI can talk. The fuck? You can have VR Fridays bots talk inside of S16 chat. Problem solved. We've solved the problem, guys. Yeah, I appreciate you asking at least, because I feel like there would be a lot of people that would just do it without asking. All right, what is this? Confirm edits? I can't see your edits. What edit did you make? Zero fucking clue because it's not highlighted. You know what? I accept. How much harm can it do? Oh, it's just a name change. Okay, there we go. He might be Vito doing a social test or whatever. Well, it is what it is. Rest in peace. Rest in peace, that window. But you know what? We continue on our own. That's a-okay. Let me just trying to get his spam on. Yeah, bro. I'm just trying to get my fucking spyware going. Like, why is this so hard? Why can't this AI get it done? Come on. Ooh. Review. Some changes. We got a change to this. This UI is too big right now. I can't see for shit. Can I? What do we have here? Spin got changed, yes, and that also got changed. And base HTML probably added some more stuff and some more spyware stuff. Keep all. Okay. Now, I am going to restart this terminal. Okay. And hopefully this will work. So, conda activate test vibe trial. And we'll run the function. What the fuck was the function again? Run server. Manage Pi run server. And if we come over to here, refresh. I don't see the changes still. I am very confused why I don't see these changes. Because if I type in spin, we have spin the wheel. We have the button. Yes, this is in purple. That's what it should be. To the QWL work tree. How do I check out this work tree? Get check out this work tree. Wait, no, not this one. Get work tree list. And oh my god. This is already getting out of hand. Where's the QWL one? Brother, we don't have a QWL work tree. What is he waffling about? Refresh. The QWL work tree now matches. Refresh your browser to see the button change. It's an interesting use of a spin wheel. I'm trying to scam people. Let me scam people. It just won't work. Why won't it work? I don't even have a QWL work tree. I don't know where it's hallucinating this shit from. We've truly reached the full circle. Oh, QWL. Okay, we found it. Actually, never mind. I found it. Git checkout. I'm the one that's hallucinating. There. Okay, we've checked this out. And now we're gonna run it. Run this shit. Come back to here. Refresh. It's not here. Where the fuck could it be? Why is it so hard to scam people? Back to the wheel. Oh my god. Is this in a work tree? Inside a QWL? Where could these work trees be? Vibe trial, QWL, inside a Docker server. So confused. I'm so confused. I don't understand this work tree stuff at all. I think you need to redo the AI thing. I think so as well. I think this is far gone. Okay. Wait, is S16 working? S16. The thing is, I don't understand why these aren't applying. Edit folders, paste, run Python. Create a new chat. I think it's time to create a new chat. And do I first try to fix the issues with the go to source control tab, source control, right? We have these, find issues, NWQ. What are we looking at right now? We're on this one. The graph is just a normal. We don't have any issues. Close that. What's in here? We have these changes, yes. We can stage those changes, we can modify. Where are we right now? Implement basic spin wheel functionality, initialize Django, NWQ. This is not the grok stuff, right? This is just all the stuff we're drawing. We actually cooked it too hard, bro. Yeah, this is only drawing logic, which means our latest commit only contains the drawing logic, which means inside of one of these work trees contains the code for S16 mode. Okay, we're going to use a model and let's ask it what work tree has the implementation for S16 mode. All right, I want to get the S16 mode. I want to merge that in properly, and then we can worry about the
Give me mod,
spyware
are you
scam call
gay?
stuff. No, I'm not giving you mod. I can worry about that stuff later. To identify, yes. Corresponds to, we have all of these. I'm gonna make it agent mode. Find and commit. No, find and change to the work tree that contains the S16 boss mode changes. Run. Do your thing. Do your thing. Run. Run. It's gonna check through every single one. Can I just allow it to do every single one? Allow list. Allow all 4. Yes, allow all of them. 2, 3, 4. That's all of them. Planning next moves. Allow the whole list. Okay. I don't think it's gonna find S16 mode. I think we thoroughly cooked this repository. Oh my god. If we've thoroughly cooked this repository, then I guess it is what it is. We'll leave it like that for now. And I'll figure out how work trees work off stream. Restart cursor? I might try and restart cursor actually. Okay, let's restart cursor. This is kind of cooked. Cursor. All right, I'll give it one last good attempt. If it can't get the spyware working, and if it can't find the S16 changes, then I think that's where we call it for today. We vibe coded until we couldn't vibe code no more. Okay, here we are. We have all of these changes actually. Let's just save all of these. Just save it all. I don't know. This is like probably, oh wait, no, these are different. Oh, that would explain it. Yeah, these are all belonging to different work trees, right? And so they're actually stored on a different directory in my file system. And so it's not like they're making changes directly to here. They're stored in a different directory under like the dot cursor or whatever, somewhere on my computer. And then those changes get applied on top of here, I think. I'm not sure. But let's try conda activate test vibe trial. and we'll run this. Restart our browser. Do we see any changes? S16. S16. That works. If we go over to our source control, check out here, we have all the stuff for spyware. But none of that works. Restarting cursor did not seem to work there either. Okay. Well, that's kind of sad. I'm gonna go search up how the fuck work trees actually work and this parallel agentic workflow is supposed to work inside a cursor. But I'm gonna do that off stream. It's been what, 3.5 hours now? Yeah. Gonna end it here for today. I'll be back on Friday for one chill stream with the mods as per usual, but then on Saturday and Sunday, it's not gonna be like last time where Saturday was a fucking whole ass day long stream or whatever, but I will be streaming for a little bit of time doing some work on the public version of Project JE Ison and trying to use Cursor in order to implement some of the changes that I really like from my personal version of Project Vita and want to see inside of Project JE Ison because, well, they just make development a lot easier. But yeah, anyways, Conic says, limit how well do you know people that are doing something as you with MacTig, the AI model. Wait, what? How well do you know people that are doing something as you with, wait, something like me, like making an AI model? I am on a hunt for someone to make me a custom AI vacuum robot. Wait, that Field Painter something. What was this Michael Reeves ass project? I made a Roomba that screams in pain whenever it hits an object. But would be willing to connect me if you do know people like that. I don't know, bro. It's just English. I can't read. I can't read. Okay. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know anybody that's taking coding commissions. Like, everybody that I know are just doing their own side projects and their own hobbies, or they're just doing full-time work, right? $1,000, Lux says, and then he'll do it. You got your guy right here. You got your commissionee right here. But yeah, anyways, I'll see you all next time. This was an experience. My main takeaway from this is don't vibe code like this because I do not understand a single change that occurred here, but it's made something. I still need to actually learn to use this shit properly, which I'll probably do Saturday or something.
Crunchy_cat_plays is now following.
Thank you, Crunchy Cat Plays, for the follow, but I'm a head out now. You came in right when I'm leaving. See you all next time, and goodbye.